and they see an who system no so.
Okay, she see a lawyer American.
And to the American passport in the beba. See, I have a Chinese phone now. And the system no Uba say we are tourist visa. Any person a capture in our system.
That's true.
I didn't use your sama. Mikasana me phone kame.
Counselor, it looks like
For some reason,
I got me about 1 minute. What's it?
For some reason,
Ghana database in the
America for no, and to the Kosuya Nyama, they have a flag, no bad new. When I want you, yeah, the amount.
Counselor. So with mine, so what is my status when I'm in Ghana?
When I'm in Ghana, you're still a visitor. Because who would Ghana? What do you use to enter Ghana?
My passport.
Us.
When you come, you had a visa.
Of course.
So we give you visa on arrival. So you are a visitor.
Yes, they do.
So you are a visitor.
With a Ghana card.
You are a visitor.
Patience, just hold on a second. Since you're interrupting, I can't. It counts as it. So I'm a visitor with Ghana card.
Yeah, you are a visitor with Ghana card.
Okay.
But you should be careful what detail they gave you, because right now, almost all the international countries gradually are buying our data system.
That's fine. I didn't do anything illegal. So.
If you know they didn't do anything illegal for you.
Hey.
So what
are they spelling? I don't know
our data.
Okay.
Data is sold.
The reason
data is sold.
I wanted to do like make a Ghana passport. I can have dual citizenship. I'm allowed to have that, right?
So if you want, before you can have a Ghana citizenship, Ghana passport, because you want to be dual, it is your status in whatever country you are that gives us the right to give you a passport for dual citizenship.
Exactly. Yes.
So if you want a dual citizenship, then go on there. But I know be Samia.
Okay.
Yeah, Bell, don't do it. We are doing loud. Ghana na bibi ya we beka say we Ghana. Yeah.
I know I didn't go through it.
You can have it separately.
That as well. I didn't go, but I just have my Ghana card for now. So
because I can't remember some back Ghana and very COVID started.
And on basis so when you
yeah, we were the first, for fire to buy.
Nyamana best say be some cow. Na se mo nya nipa o. Mo ya nyama o. Mo ya nyama ye use numbers wo so. Mo nya nipa. Yeah, nipa.
Numbers.
Ghana Nyamobo. That Ghana Nyamobo.
Okay, no, but I mean, like, the system is not working.
The system is working. The system is working. If it's not working, like Gifty would not have an annulment of marriage today.
Oh, but if it was working, so I can. Oh yes, second when you have showed up, say she's married already.
No, you are not understanding it. Let me explain. Hello, class. Class, listen. If you go to LECMA to register your marriage, it's different from DEMA. It's not like marrying in Washington and having the same marriage in New York. The system in LECMA works on its own. The system in TEMA works on its own. We have not migrated it yet. We are growing. We are up and coming country. No, you don't say that, please. The system is working, but it is a gradual process. Rome was not built in a day.
That was a marriage, a delicate.
But what is not delicate? Sister, a dear delicate. A dear delicate. They see a name to me secure a dear one for so a dear sweet delicate. Then I'm okay.
It's like once a hospital, I say, well, when we say I've got sick, so there's certain hospitals that I would go in London. they will have all my details, right? Because the system is together. When I go outside of London, and outside, even in London, certain hospitals, the system is not joined together. So they will ask, what medication do you take?
Thank you. So it doesn't mean the system is not working. It's not migrated.
Norway, everything will come on you.
Right.
Because Norway, a kuro kiti kiti.
Yeah. Counselor, where stay on course.
No, but can I just say this? I feel like Asamoah Gyan, he wanted to win one way or the other. Because let's be honest, she's not the paper might be like I was saying to you, Mr. Sisters, I don't know the baby. I feel like he just didn't want.
Oh, Okasarimba. Hello, Munjinaso.
I don't know.
Hold on, please mute yourself. Echo, and then what's the case?
No, that's okay. There is one lady called Mami Sewasika. It seems to say all information your person or share why your request is anti. I would plead to say so which me up.
Mami Sewasika anyhow. Request name by Manin Yambra and my.
You have to request.
Mami Sewa ne wa Mami Sewasika anyhow.
Maybe she not follow.
And number 2 or more casa or more per marriage barcode. No, the people could be by me.
Has she made a request?
I think.
Hello.
Yeah, hello. Follow TikTok.
Hello. Yeah. Counselor. I have some questions.
Flow.
The question is, at the moment I'm hungry.
Please hit the like button. Let's go up to 100. We are learning the lessons from the judgment of the relationship between Asamoah Gyan and the baby mama. Let's go. I'm listening.
Counselor, my question is not about the Asamoah Gyan issue, but it's about the passport and the nationality.
Masa, you have to pay. You have to pay. What the can? What you want to make? Kasa, ade can travel there.
Since at the moment, I'm Ghana passport. I'm here. I'm football. I'm at the bar.
Bema to higher crown. She na money was screen no friend. We and can ha. What it?
Oh, it's about not about the marriage. It's about the nationality issue.
The American now praying to me.
Mate.
The American not here.
Mate.
Me the football they buy, me the mama they buy, papa they buy. Say tubu na for buy. Ye difference so they buy. Ye di. Me say fana money and come on. Are they?
No money way. No money who the in so.
Ewo Bell children 862 American number +1 862 +1 862 571 3950. What does it?
Mate.
What now? No.
Well.
O man panyi krade King Jonas buy want me na answer na chi. O me ye bia amfa. Uwure manu wa wure mo mra na sanete. Enti bema insuo so na afa buy ye macho am America. Me wa America.
Counselor, good evening.
America.
States.
Counselor, good evening.
Fana mani endin komo. Mi chi min tna fa ko.
Because our Texas.
Oh, Texas, Oklahoma,
Money ma dia bi ya de. Mene mo kasa no. Nyankopon adom ade kase bi esi o mabra bo ben sida. About 2 weeks ago, I was granted audience into the White House.
Wow.
Hey,
And Crawford na America o mabra bo nyina o mu wura mu.
To go Washington DC.
Me wura White House, I spent 1 hour in the gardens of the White House. I'll post the pictures soon.
But you the garden one now right inside.
The garden anyway. Now, God never hit. Sure.
I don't know. I'm asking you.
That DNA chimpo. Ni what did not cry is serious. Now you're big gate. Now I said police for the cold black a chip. I'll release the video. Yeah, good evening. Here go, mommy. Here go.
Let me explain at the constant topic now.
Yeah, the lessons out of the judgment of Asamoah Gyan and the baby mama. Here go.
Yeah, I have the organic crata. Obi and Coco baby at 20 studies city. Obi the when a US class story and a UK. So get himself and
Why like why the Kasam Pacho?
The Pacho Mammy Sawasika.
Oh, okay. Mammy Sawakasa.
The Pacho organic cratan a Italy, na Italy for the top. Omokatano, a BBO.
Sir?
Yes. Open so when a whole yina copona. Something a one or more worry or echo a baimono. Upon my one, you are worry, but no one worry a bam, unlike other places, because of a whole cocono, miniano, any easy. Obane Bayan, and will swimmer, and can Nicocono, a bay in Italy, Sana would say.
Okay.
It be 10 years, 15 years, 20 years going. And so one normally no must stay or mutinum. Edding ya cocono, and son almost three. And just there, Germany, Holland, Belgium, UK, US, no. Ebia 5 years, 3 years, putting this free mono. Over to near free move, but who say my wine a day, Nicocono air cover. And just say, other places. And what dear? And say, oh, I walk one of the Umami and Papa do Bagwana, Castle Blonma, 20 years and send when you book cocoon. I want to tell Germany in and not from. And to one not our real etche.
Matthias here. But the air can say, a bet you
want so much for the Warrior and Joe.
The patch I want the other to start.
Because my cousin be at over 20 years. Or worry in a year and chair and a year and someone will be called.
But I culture with so much or must start money.
I must have some dear body.
Or must start how I obey and not book of Cocono Massano.
That one I don't know because me tell lady no one 10 years pan on your passport in Chomo you kiss. Yeah.
Good. Me patron Massano.
Oh, okay.
First, Italy, Germany, 20 years. What better than Mukuan? So, I mean, I don't buy a component. No one will need Coconi be. No, Ghana passport, none, son, I will be now, dear pan. 20 years, 10 years, 15 years. Hey. And to the next to me, fire dear, I was asking comparable. And sometimes those that would system here different from a system. If I also be at also Master Son. And to know, sometimes, oh, can be no one going to knowledge now, can. I rather catch and me own forward dear. Anthony, and to sister, and besides that time will now obey Remo. A decent, and what they call you can say, or Yan, or now upon me to me to 3 1 or come out day. Yeah, you will day at Yassi.
Ohima, and Commander Yedini Chess and Indiano. Oja Nikunu no ba Ghana. And an award come out Yedin a Ghana, yeah.
Or the free or year honor and what the baby ram. And I didn't buy
or till yeah, the say or the 2 quayo 1 fair 2 quayo and you put the high end to say yes, if Berman or worry no only in Italy abonten so no son a chiba yet. So she returned to Ghana. And the only valid document that shows that she has a husband was the certificate that they married together in Ghana. So it's not about any Italian document. So when she came to Ghana, she could have still divorced the man in Ghana and be a free girl. I know what I'm coming from.
Banamika said, "Oh, says a Uber Rame, the show team, Ebia, Okono, and Sana were free." So who sat that agent and that time and this is a fake. But just one or more Italy, no, my console motive, so I'm not at a church. And you're different to no that time 17 years, they never wanted to know. Unyako corner, mainstream.
I understand what you are saying, but the year can say where your bear man were brooching Abba Ghana. Abba Shia Ghana brantie to Tumbi of a so wallow.
Yeah.
Enti Italy, dear now where Jawa Honor. Now we'll trend the Ajiday. What you mean, come on and say? Nanke Bane say, Italy crata, the old coming over again. But what about Ghana bontin so say Ghana ni ba? Now who could be all wallow? Etia manone. And you who saw what the end cousin, who yaso be to a cojet over Italy. Italy dear Nanka Metias, but we Ghana dear what bemi. And then see who coins a one Ghana dear no.
Matthias, Ghana dear na went to me. And no, and I didn't buy and all bar happen. Oh, dear man, a dear, I didn't buy a hassen and one or the core. I don't know, excited in that Ghana money didn't and no, the poor you can what now, Nana.
There be Uncolani crown. And Crane of Ukrano, a Bema for Asamoah Gyan by the wall. No, it's a Italy crata or the call you can know.
Italy.
Ghana, what the Kraton, yes, Asamoah Gyan, yeah,
like normal Ghana.
What you say? On your Asamoah Gyan, what the Kraton or the Yan, quite in Colani by UK.
Yeah, she one from the Italy, Italy, then there's just a past day.
And Italy, I had some. Our last man, Bampo, and go be put in Pussy with Italy.
Yeah, I don't make us a counselor. That time, all buggers, no one moon anymore. I see young cook and all that, because that baby, I'll question and it's like a about Ghana and Sankoya. So if you are Ankoya, man, I keep your papa fat. Baba Jimmy Pop or the apple.
Matthias, but Aquaye and the Aquaye no him out. Bebre Tikrono, Bebre wa Italy, Bebre wa UK, Bebre wa USA. Oma Jimmy said Ghana and Krata and the system in engagement and form a boy a Betty. That's the education.
Because not a big compare US dear to a hot dear. I had dear to what dear, it's a me pass and I meet him with that chronotono.
Italian and Krata, Okuta normal Ghana and Krata or
yeah, something I'm not US Eddie.
I need a betray one day.
Yeah, it's not as many says that chrono, a what dear no, a different
and then you mean, and see, I feel I make a media councillor one.
My problem is say, so the lessons that we are learning, this young lady has committed bigamy. Why is the law not going at her for bigamy?
And then I just a Ghana system, the law they say that when favor.
Are you sure?
Hello.
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 Hello. Yes.
Good evening.
Good evening. Yanko. Bema kasambemem na show no a hyper show why? Ko
me worry oba e wo fie e wo Ghana
fie awade ana quarter awade
fie aware
mate
fie aware no na oba no papa se soft
tie me
shinap no
to was bema twɛn me han kasa bi ho a e kasa ye ka na ko ane atene no oba na aware na ne papa ye den
o ye soft
and the men kasa na papa si or sofo yen kasa sa and the twe sign
okay
Me that's all.
Okase on jishna. Obeje champagne. Itino eno ene ye mede edema omo. Yes aware so ye bejaye problem ba ho na ye ja aware no. Ye ja aware no omo ka say binsumo ba. Itino ye patna busia for ye patna so omo ka say binsumo ba. Immediately na me na minister kana ono obono. The minister kana wo immediately. Itino bejitu mu te binsumo ba. Emma make of tall snap back ABC for Emma dear to na me call it into no actually and it's kind of a poor man with me son school about me the man is on time with this kind of man also no but she for aunt na I'm a man for kind of arm oh baby na me more money e the man oba nobody here not our that's all I say in chill.
Bema enti ensana o de koye no wo so de nsan koye me bo a
ya me di champagne o je champagne yes na
me chere se omuka se ugu awade ensa be na de gogu awade no
omuka ugu awade no omo si mi sumo ba no enti no omo because omuka mi sumo ba na me ji tu mo se be sumo ba no
Matthias here.
But immediately, let me stop it. Let it go. Budget,
may I say, and I make a say, Timmy. Almost see Sumobano, and I'm beside snap, and now 1 hour more snap.
Me, I make a toss snap at the bar.
And Uba Wallen, no more catch that will say, no one son. A son said as of DNT. Baby, go out the end of the Omoji Ocean up.
Because you are another papa now or your sophomore. 8 movie now you push your phone on bed on what you are on account. The Omoji snap. But the papa on the bed, the papa say or your sophomore to on snap or bed champagne. Because you go our no snap and the coin snap na me the no that me the mama say my dear say me sumo but that immediately let me cano
and sana the coin yet to anu ana
ya to anu
bema ukusu wale o Obani wa ebe fro se be ye
wa kwa sha ware no mukana snap na udi kai e
but the yes no yeah friend obi a move on or no about we move on
wawale wawo baso wale e de busan beka so munim so e busan beka so munim so awal o munim so awo
ko ma kambani ya wonya no bana the one sabrel
oba for me sabrel
so no ngu awale wona aso ugu awale
me say me ja awale
and you yeah
and was so akwache bukana additional akwache yechi
bema from na me boy ngugu awale no why from me asana send me
the one son bro you wa akonje there so bo dwane sika na wo send mobile money no wo di see ebusuan sem na ebusuan di share
na once America passage panta ba ko ba ko no so
sika na wo ama oba na ye chop money enya akonjade e wa ma chop money ai
beba
so oba na the one bro
beba
but the one bro wa
be oba ni patient oba fan samba ozo de na akeke ya
osa ba return stand
David mra bia ni osa ba The Obana fact won't say be amber umbajo.
Councillor, me patrol say our real gua. Na say be a Obana Bemani no mu be ready sorry returning sana. Me fan say Bemani bush ya 40 me story day and Sunny be jai Obana.
And son, yeah, then Sabija, Obat me Jawa dear, Bemet me Jawa dear. The Eddie kind say, and Sunny at the bar, I see it 2 ano. Yen 2 ano, our didn't jai.
That be like said, Bemani family, to me story say, yeah, my own worry and Banny Beamonty, Yabejawa.
And the Abani Beja. No bana busia for so no mutu ana wari na jai someone so man tu ano awade ne wo
na wari a be obana nkasa ne be ma na nkasa mumu no mo kotna ye no omu jai na ebusia for na akojai no is it allowed now
the year can say e awade be mfia awade ana ekon omu nyina
hot sweat court awanye.
And I caught our dear. One I can say the snap good got our dear. Munkosu numu.
Obana say Bema nebusia for some months our yen to be no more de ensa.
Our yen caught our dear. The only way to annul the marriage is when you go back to court. Etina make kase. Bia yin na ye kase. Abaya way our dear. Bia na ye fi our dear. What you say? Eh, bia, our dear, you fear our dear. And I hear 2 kwan ye koye crack our dear source.
I don't want to mute your wife.
Eh, bia, eh, fear our dear. And I'm sure I go for a court in a J crack. I say, see 2 kwan. And this you see. Do you understand? Me, the lessons we are learning is that the courts didn't think about bigamy. The lady has been given some assets. What is our view on the asset that the lady has been given? Are we changing the precedents that a girlfriend can get something from a man? A baby mama can have anything from a man. It's a wrong precedent because a girlfriend has no right in the property of any man.
Counselor.
Yes.
I don't think it is wrong.
Tell me why.
Because sorry, Corona metis way no. Ama me shia ade bi say oba ne obema trim na na say emfa ne se mutina dan ba ko a. Ye regarding no as marriage because emma babe oba ne me aduane ma oba no take your friend as a responsibility as a wife even though say mun worry won krata so no. Say eba no kra say mu separate na mu kwa ye che japade ni. Nti no ama mesia bibi say no say Ghana na emu say obi ni obi twempna o matena ase awo mo twempna but nipa no anu aduane ma o pe we see ne ma we wasting the time ama nti no we can say we wasting the time but no you know you people have shared something that is almost as marriage no e krata keke ne daso nti no so onya bibi I feel say enye wrong because for all these years on e watena say nka obet me dia akwa worry before for farmer still omo be san worry ayarejaye emma but I have say no for ye ne sa they recognize it as partnership. It is a mutual worry.
Sarah.
Yeah. Good evening.
One ekasa Bacho.
Bacho Royal Nekasa.
Royal Mr. Royal.
Yeah.
Kurobe so asem na okay.
No way.
Royal. No way mrane gi cohabitation to me. Ghana yengi cohabitation to me. Cohabitation in Ghana is not acceptable.
Yeah.
The law is that if you do boyfriend, girlfriend, promise to marry, whatever you get together is only for the man. You don't have rights to any of them.
When both of you have worked together, it's only for the man.
Can you prove to us your contribution? Then the law can take it up.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
No, that is not true.
That's what I'm saying.
No, that's not true.
Bring the proof.
So Roya,
yes.
So we are educating you that when you are with a man and the man has no document showing that you are Mrs. Luttrot, what's your investment? What you get is what you are getting now. We've said it.
Okay.
So you know, as a girlfriend, as a baby mama, you know when you check. So right now, this girl is a baby mama to Asamoah Gyan. So every property Asamoah Gyan has, he can will it to the children and gift this girl on humanitarian grounds. That's law. But she can't make a request. That is why when she made a demand for $1 million, 5,000 pounds, the court canceled it because they are not married. She has never been a wife. Yeah. 862 1 plus 1 sorry plus 1 862 571 3950 plus 1 862 571 3950. From the ending, why? Etimame, yes, Samrano, yes, son. We are learning the lessons from Gifty.
Counselor, maybe some question, Pacho. Yemfane say this cohabitation now, who can say it doesn't exist in Ghana, and then there has been a cohabitation, and then no why you to inquire properties. But Yemfane say, for example, and then you. And so sitting now, Barney Dean, that's about Omutu, no why you do man on West Dine. And say, Omujana or Bano so say, okay, also she name because Ghana poor does not recognize cohabitation. What Obama no bet me the Obana Kokotana.
Any property that you own, which is yours.
Yeah.
And any guy you are going out with, Oba Obama, it is your own. Whoever's name is on it is the owner of it. Unless otherwise, a marriage has been proven. So even me, when I come and have a relationship with you, and you have your own land, and I come and build on it, when there's a breakup, the owner of the land owns the building.
Lawyer, so all this while that Asamoah Gyan was staying with the lady, Obama, and then those kids, they were not married.
No. Asamoah Gyan has never married before.
So that she's a baby mama.
Thank you very much. Asamoah Gyan has never married before. So on his document, he's a bachelor with children.
So is the girl demanding that money for herself or for the kid?
She was demanding for herself, thinking it was divorce. But the law is that it was not divorce. It was annulment.
Okay.
You can get something when divorce is occurring. If it was divorce, like this girl might get the $1 billion. Yeah, 50-50. So Asamoah Gyan is only a baby daddy to the girl. That is what I'm saying. That
so Asamoah Gyan will be the man.
That is a gift by law. It's accepted. So the house in the UK cannot be given to the girl because she's not a wife. Unless Asamoah Gyan decides to gift. But that is where Asamoah Gyan and the children live when he goes to UK. And they're already living there. So if he takes it from the girl, where would the girl go and live with the children? Because the children are with her. Yeah, no. She has to do that now. Because she's too beautiful not to be married again. This girl is too beautiful.
So how did it come out?
How did the marriage thing come out? Someone went to do kokosa. According to my information, obi ne koka say wo wari obi iri na na ye 2 rows ado. E da ni kuma chun na. How do you go? It's a lesson to the rest of us. So these are the lessons that we are learning from the judgment and the relationship between Asamoah Gyan and the baby mama. So all the articles they are writing and the things the bloggers are writing, Asamoah Gyan has never had a wife. So the wife, and it is okay if we push too much. Then the law must be tested by going to see why was this girl not giving a state of bigamy. Because she was married and came to marry again.
If she said she's not, that's why she didn't get any sentence. Because she was never married to him. She only had kids with him.
No, she was married. Listen, she was married before. And the reason for the annulment, listen, the reason why the relationship has been annulled is because she was already married. And that's what the bigamy is. When you're careful. So every documentary marriage you have in Ghana, if you annul your marriage in America, please come down and finish the document. Anybody who goes through divorce, you are given 2 certificates. One for you, one for the man. Keep it in your mind. Marriage is not a child's play in the law court. And like the young man just said, your father-in-law says that he doesn't take whiskey, so he wants communion wine or champagne. He's a crazy man. There's no traditional law like that. The drink is not for you to drink; it's for the family. So if you don't take, you are a pastor. So what?
Councilor Pacho Mimbisa some cacao. Councilor Pacho Mimbisa some cacao. Funny say, Bema ne oba ohona ebia misunderstanding na bo muntemu wo akwentum na. Bema na oba ne tiechire ekotwa nkraten wo Ghana na otiwa osu betumi akose osu ukotwa nkraten when we don't have database of what is going on.
What is happening is that obi obeba Ghana say many judge you to the worry you don't go straight to the court. You go through a lawyer. And then you have to give the person a letter of summons. So you go through the proceedings. Select and do one respond here. Any amount of days of responding. One respond here. Then they can sit on the case. You can still do a virtual sitting if your system is not good for you. Because Asamoah Gyan's baby mama did virtual sitting most of the time. And most of the divorce cases, Nyanyan were court open. Nyanyan were indoors. That is why I don't understand why we are in that case number out. The court class. Nyambe chiye bimuka.
Councilor, the other person who said,
maybe patient train, party train,
Councilor, the other person who said, in this case, now you need database to store all those things. Not back when we see it, so will it go through the same procedure? Na your mom is a copy, and I say,
your database. The woman is said. Who we are there now? Yeah, the share system you The year can say, I saw it there neto you won't find what 80 and key. But say okay, say you know worry what AMB. Now you between what AMB. First and foremost, they will ask your wife to give us how to get in touch with you so that they can serve you.
Okay.
So you will really receive the rate of summons.
Okay.
And you have to respond within 8 days. On the 3rd time you don't respond, then they will move ahead to pass the judgment. And when they give your wife divorce, and it's agreed and you don't respond, they give a certificate of divorce and it's keyed into the system. So when you come and do, it will show that this marriage has already been annulled. Do you understand?
Okay. Yeah, of course.
So it works. The system works. So
now, Councillor, where the main council will be on Quavio now. What's the while which means it's a say, hey, Mary, we jive that I media minimum.
Oh, I said, baby, the woman giant will walk home now. So me and you.
I said, me coach a comedy.
And now we didn't job. I said, we job a long time. 20 years ago, we job.
Me coach check. We be asking coach checking you.
Now go check here for one. We didn't job found.
Say you say the one we jive crown the head to one.
Them now no, you didn't know a job. Walia. Oh, problem ni then. Ah. So back of court, because this divorce, no busu de wote. They say Usiane say, "Unya schedule baby a, and dear fear duani." They have no amen.
I say I want that the cold rest. Cancel the cold before also.
Councillor Pacho, be say bisa when the bear man sote. Na bear man ko boko no hu egusia. Sa
enya wade. Kokoko enya wade o hima me ha. Oi, kokoko nya wade. Ye boko be ma ko boko na ni metina, u ye jimi for.
Straight bullets.
Kafra, she bulletproof. Why be on airport? Ya mele na ye be ene ma sheda ma lessons inti ma ko enim kakra. Any other contribution, any lesson we have learned? So we conclude and close for today. But you know, best 2 weeks need.
So does it mean one last question? Does it mean you can go and have a divorce without each one's consent?
They will serve them. They will serve them, and they have to respond. You have to give us location of the man, and they will be served. If it's via email, they will serve. If they serve, and they
can I go ahead?
And you will never go ahead. And time you more opportunity to respond. One respond this and to me go ahead in a certain section to grant a divorce to the woman. You cannot withhold one person from not getting the divorce.
Now, Council, I'm a question I could say what I'm you find say any panel akuja or Ghana. And one wrong email or wrong address. Nani panensa and Saka, sa your friend is 7, Nesanka. What will happen?
Once you have not received it, the court will still be waiting for you to receive.
Okay. Yeah. How would they find out say or send you email on Sanka?
Because the lady is supposed to let us know, sir. How do we reach your partner with this riff?
Okay.
It's part of the movement. You're supposed to let us know because you're married to him. Unless we're
okay.
And our wound swa yen siena you remember 7 years. Is that Castro Eira yeno? On in the Ira wa de yengunu until 7 years yen huni biomu. Ye because you go go our there, you the death certificate in the go go our there. And to hear about not see where we are. Uncle about death certificate, Timbra. Oh, to me, yet death certificate. Na kai say nyama mi ensa na yaji wo court. Yaji death certificate. Cause of death and a burial permit. Uko shi aji a bi the team ya din kro waji funeral pictures.
You better put that out.
One shall need a obituary.
On a more serious note,
I'm saying a higher crown.
Number 862. 862. Fanamano. kwan wa me misane ha. Plus 1 862 571 3950.
So my record is 862-5713-950.
Mate,
correct.
Correct. Yeah, plus 1 because in America.
Plus in the class nationally. Yeah. I got you. Because I did take to me Ghana right now. I could be Ghana has like 2 years. I didn't say MP.
You have one. Emrani ejuma pa ento wada.
Councillor, on the more serious note, court no. Councillor Mpacho, on the more serious note, say court no. S7 letter na nkuna fane say Bemana no oba no ma wrong email address, wrong address, whatever. Still, yebe yama no.
Yebe pe entenjire muni, and I'm kind of saying.
Na yen to me could become a family member.
Now see, unless there's a witness from the man's side, somebody should come in.
Okay. Into man's side, the Obi and Badi and then they were from Huedi.
Unfa hundisa. Our guy no, adekasio. Obana yama frustrate you. The man in Trafa will say you should be able to get the man. It gets to a extent that you can be given a particular form of divorce. If you term, maybe however amount.
Okay.
Nobody can deny you divorce. Nobody.
Okay.
All right. Obia Mr. Assembly.
America check. Come on, America's a marriage into 2 years. Now you don't have any basic anything that supports divorce. I think they don't grant a divorce or something.
Ghana also say what they need 2 years, sir. Ghana also what they need 2 years, sir. This is 2 years.
Yeah. But what about if the man is abused?
And to Bema Boa report again is a civil crime. Now your mouth separation for 2 years, either to repair the marriage or seek for divorce. And you separation by law. And I saw boa a crime. Ubaga ko report na ya ma on ben will be and that separation on due on fe wano on hu po no abo. Now so they saw ye bia obey na said ye nyina. O say
na Ghana ni ba so obu be ma no so e.
Na say wo na yire bo am so ko report. Mara ne nye mma dia e mema ne mba nyina dia ko report na just o ko ka che busuafo ese na so nye bema na ne we dua anyu bema na esi nso ma so no ham obabo asomanya hwe fa che no na oprapra waso ho ye brimu.
Lawyer, let me ask the last question because
but the man pesca man me that so we have a scan bra forgive me to answer na ko
now what's not here for 21 years now worry no ku a wo kwan so betumi di be ma na kokko akopre wo chefa
God embrana ye di wari fia wa de ne friend a customary marriage now or register is under the PNC law 111 interstate successional law in the government and it's what now what 25 years ye fear what there now why japadia boom Mr. You need a proof of that ownership. The marriage can give you the basis, but any property that you have acquired, the law usually demands that you prove your portion in that property that has been acquired.
But when not 21 years, no niche.
Then they fire. Now, one small say, "Bemo if you go, I know that's running."
That's a one for Brad 21 years.
Now, they fire. Now, Brana mo born. Then they just say Brana mo born. Would you no? or what na see achi na ye de emfire ho onya adwuma mpo emfire ho eyemremu a ukoye court awade a oye adwuma o onya adwuma o de obeye bia o de ewu na ye fia awade de a enye wo ne nko ade a enye chimpe
who to me found quite a 21 years.
Who prove nature say 21 years they are not ane. Now then nature say fear na me see what time for no sika wo.
Councillor, we are this or who Nima boys o.
And they just some Nima boys come no take up. But see they are court they don't hear jama. Owu a ena mna betimi abo ase yempe kakra bi ma wo mrem. What I say? You have percentage, you have check percentages. Mkwala wo mu a you 50, 25, 25. Na enu mpo so waye krata to awade no so a wan hwe ahomachi no. Aye will.
Why krata said
will.
So why will la.
Ebia will no o se o ma Bible ni safo.
It doesn't mean say who worry bearman na for one part no ye fear one dear nina na you don't have a share on his property in case there's a divorce.
If there's a divorce, we use the interstate if you prove the marriage.
And on the man because baby to make herself a wood for Sika no Kabako ma pay piani, fetch your colony.
Well, that's an Jimmy or Tinasina Jim wo Katia said Debbie, o de okoto cement na mema 400 enti okwa for receipt ni bra adwo man Sunny George eto cement 4 bags ye ne sa
na ya boy
That's what but before we encounter it's the patient Bible no so why you looking at yeah the pen a she baby say and you family yeah. Stop at the sound.
Oh my gosh. I grew up in this. Yeah, dear, no.
Engagement now.
Engagement near you have to make a register. But I said,
you register, you are not entitled to anything.
And Faswana, the iron wedding, Naka Abaye, our Asamoah Gyan pa, and our Egu Yanka. And Faswa can see a part of the commercial for you.
No, just saying that, okay. Then it's serious. Well, I don't even know.
Mumbra near council, near Cham with the Mbaye, and Yabi fin and share. Why?
Because I would change the man too much, and so I send the boat.
Me and your man, I made Chirobia.
Okay.
And yes, my boy, and yes, my boy, man, and I made Chirawo. Made Chirobia. Made Chirawo Bema, made Chirawo Ba, while you be a woo. I say, only need Japadi and movie. Inti di obenya se si an na ye wodia enkwala na watch fa e woni Japadi mu be ma bia ni step child owo nkwala du nkwala na nyina ne dia e mra afra ene na moba ya hwe atwam dia
now ye Japadi there we at the end of the day no if there's divorce or beka say won't count
enya no beka na wo bisa wo dia o contribution ye
yeah baby say man yesua pa o na yeso yenye ye Japadi aside. This is a lesson to all of us.
Maybe say I don't see Gifty as somebody who was coming to the marriage to leave. She didn't know that this bigamy could cause her to lose marriage. She didn't know. That's why I say I feel sad for her. She's too innocent. And I pray that the way she's quiet, she won't come and talk later.
But aside that, you know, Asamoah Gyan and Kurana or court check you for DNA, Nina
the entire court check here and court and say Osi oni obi wo ho da nanse no be why ne dia. Time osi oni nipa ne wo ho. Any time ono so hia no. Or doubt to say na say e bi akwala ni bi enya ne dia na. And you call here to be sure say oh akoko anoli awade no nkwala ni nyina ne dia na. Na kwan court na man ho kwan say onko ye. But obi na lebe tu dwa.
Say oba no di kan ware ansa na obe ware Asamoah Gyan.
Oba ne di obi na kobo amani o, kokon bi na kobo amani o. Ti say oh ye onyama nyina o de fa nkwasa asem so wa ware obi yiri nti de bi house na ma kwasi ade ti say obi ama. O say that microphone kasa.
Yeah. But the nipa na bo Asamoah Gyan in some way o.
Wa bo ano.
Am I want to no?
Ahun to ne de wan. Eh no kre.
I think Asamoah Gyan is happy for that.
Asamoah say abaye we ye soro obofo onye na adwen da so be jana ware ba osuro wa ware obire ohia no de bo utima e na de ya no se wan kan kire no o ka kire na nka enro ana me kan ha sa brantie bi de ne stepchild etna say brother-in-law ono so wade ne ye gu no omunya 2 years anti me di case no obi na be kan wo party ase say e why ade o say wali gay wa so ne be ne musa ma boy ya fine oh nyame nhira o abusiafo nyina say ne brother-in-law anti akora ne ba na ojimi kura 9 years no hu ni say brother-in-law sana ne yire ne ba I couldn't tell my brother. Where I couldn't tell my son. So I hope we have learned some lessons. And like I said today, I didn't come here to judge. Those of you who are following me, we have been treating divorce for a longer time, for about 14 days now. If you want more details on the questions you are asking, you are in America, things are not going down well. Anywhere you are and you think you want to annul your marriage, I am available on 862-571-3950. Anything that you want to do, you want to understand, please call. It is not a charity organization. I'll collect money. But if anybody go as a day, masikeni mungu ase. Yesu adie. Mumbra ni emboa mu na eye ding eye ya, especially with such a beautiful girl enye ni miswadi hu ni and never mo dwen say girl ni pe na luzu ana bibio Asamoah Gyan so no we ha ne pa o he's not happy just that or say he's okay with the judgment. Even that no I feel no ko dwen because lawyer name your analysis of the judgment. Me, I believe say lawyer not pray who no kasa ntem. Because there are so many loopholes in the judgment. You can't give a lady a house in UK as a Ghana judge. Who are you? This lady doesn't deserve anything. I might be hard, but that's the truth. If there's anything she deserves to be jailed for bigamy. Because she was aware that she was married. May nobody make such mistake again. And the rest of you who are sitting in America, in UK, anywhere you find yourself, that you are living in a complicated relationship, stop ebufuono na yenkasa. Me swap busa for so fa ne nsan koma no. Oh hu manim bio ne wawu, ya jimie no. Na krata na de wale no, ende onim jimie. Branye ngu awade ne ma. Sa no bi ye ni de gidigidi sa, na me gi ni ska ko ye search man. Me ko ye search ni ti na ye yi. Na krata na nwura abem, e na muframa mu. E bia ye kura de kura nko abem. and I'm from him. Don't act as a fool because you are angry. Seek for help. +1 862 571 3950. Mewa boafo nyena men twen masemu nsias. Does anybody have any other lesson that you want to share with us as we wrap up? Today we've done well. 4 hours of sitting on my small bottles. Yeah. And no gifts are coming. Mo release gifts na munja de mo yedo. Mo ambe mo na ma no wo ho. Mo nyama ne nya fe. Na we consultation bi amba mu. E fe. Why? Why na beka so nsu ahwe wa ha. Gifts ne mba. Mo wo so ntentem. Na mo ache. Na me mpom. Anybody has any contribution again?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Actually, quick. I was trying to get in touch with you, but not me. Yeah. Anyway, so I got married 2019. No, actually, yeah, 2019. Oh, court. And both him and I we agreed that for him to come here. But fast forward, he made me aware that the first marriage, it's been they divorced, and Obani did to coin because Obani becomes Omukujai also papers and so I looked at it, affidavit, everything was on there. But I saw him no more recognizing the thing. They're still married. Okay. Now he's claiming contract marriage, which he hasn't given me any money that shows that my disika or one amount. None of that. And see, me, I request to say in divorce it. Now, maybe the court. The same court na go worry, Omo tried to serve him, but the statement clerk, this man minister, when he called him, he claimed say that he divorced me, So when the guy called me back, the person said, because I haven't signed any divorce paper. Me mom na maba court send me the file for divorce. Now, me see her wait to send me apply to a crack or Ghana for this same issue. Me call and everything was delayed because they haven't served it. And I'm a samba back. Me back, What I'm hearing is guy need to find one signing document, But me so ammonia search, the search shows there, yeah, divorce was signing mimic signature.
I was just going to say that.
What is the way forward?
So as we speak, has he divorced you?
The same court say he divorced it.
But okay, search enter divorce for Mudiano and so demand for a copy of your divorce certificate.
He doesn't want to prove it, so it shows that
no, write to the court.
1 year or somewhere, I think
no, but where did you marry?
Accra.
So you can't marry in Accra and go and take divorce in Kumasi. It will never happen.
No. That's the way for and so it's in both our names. Now I don't even know the way forward.
Okay, so I'm going to help you, but I can't do it up here. So take the number and let's take a process and we'll do it for you. Okay, when you're a small case. Why? Do you have a copy of your marriage certificate? Also, don't worry. Any big deal, why? We are fair before yet. Why? A plus 1 862 571 3950. Don't use anger to settle any dispute in marriage. I'm saying that for me, I still think that Asamoah Gyan and the lawyers, they've not done well. Because in law, we use precedents to file cases. If Asamoah Gyan and the baby mama is any case that we can use as precedents, somebody can wrongfully refer to this case and claim a property in Italy while they are in Ghana. So the lawyer must sit up. The lawyer must sit up. And Asamoah Gyan must sit up. If the house in Spintex, the filling station, is a gift, I've not seen the real judgment. Let us know it's a gift. Because one, right now, according to what I'm hearing, per what Asamoah Gyan said, the UK house, he said that's where we are all living. Anything can happen. If that house has been given to the woman, then one day, this girl can sack Asamoah Gyan from the house. But the house is still in the name of Asamoah Gyan. So how will this girl go with the judgment to go and claim the house? And the ruling is from Ghana to a property in Britain. Who bondo?
It's not possible.
The lawyer is rushing in my thinking. He needs to issue a statement so that the bloggers will stop writing Asamoah Gyan and ex-wife. If anybody writes, take them to court. Asamoah Gyan has never been married. Onwaleja. And for those of you who are saying Asamoah Gyan is a womanizer, is that any of your business? Is that why they went to court? If the girl saw that Eve was cheating, he could have taken it to court. It's a lesson to all of us. If you have done any secret marriage, think twice. Think twice. Move now. Do the needful. Seek for help. +1 862 571 3950. Me ba se mbeboa mo. Wa won ti asem. Maybe I'm tipo apo New York ma se muni apo. Na ka maka se ko shipo. Asantifu ani ngu ase apo ni kuro. Kingsley, let me pick you, let me wrap up and go. Yeah, Kingsley.
All right. Counselor, let me share my views.
Go.
Me were UK.
And
Bram, me want documents.
Mhm.
Then my 2 weeks of notice of marriage. So after 2 weeks of notice of marriage, the information we are made then we have rights to go ahead for marriage. It's in the business as a wager and Obama dear. Everyone court mom notice of marriage. Yeah, they say a brand stone, who can say
Ghana be wire your man notice of marriage for 21 days and yet 2 weeks. Yeah, they need 21 days.
Okay.
So 21 days in a Chinobi and Mekashi and Yamawa.
So it means that court so annual investigation and say Obama aware them before.
Court in your investigation or the Necrat enemy and son or the Bakotari court home. Not the Bakwa Tari or Berman chief for her, Bakwatari or Bane chief for who will be become a and to be a country or your team baby. It's not mean Dink of watching investigation.
Okay. And then also it's some say a 9 view or any man
Asamoah Gyan for your 2 weeks ago.
Okay, so in the UK, the almost worry that only Colana and the biological children for him so be taking Obani out from the property because Obani Kitan is very hard. It's not easy. it's not easy. Say a bar, or maybe to make it Asamoah Gyan or I want thing.
There you. Mrana say, Asamoah Gyan, won krata obana na eye njina so a. Mun read law ni. Yan fa ne say, obana a citizen. And only Asamoah Gyan ato so ne won ma. Bibi say ba emrano efwa obana nkwala no so.
Yeah.
Bankomo na ye di. Ghana nkomo. Na some file se omu ya warefo. Ena akwala no ene Asamoah Gyan nkwala no maame no enya akwanko ho. Na wade ni ho biom. Ni ebisa se engina so ade gya judgment ni eden. Enye divorce, annulment, se na abaya na wari dada. Emrano ndi nachi. It's a UK felony.
I believe you say Jack aware that we say because of document a bit me I believe so. Say he knows everything.
That he knows what? Asamoah Gyan knows what?
Say Obano. If you are no one warrior,
on him.
But papa.
On him.
So you mean say it's benefits the man.
Nimba ben.
The man on your mouth.
Ah, mentias, yes, said it.
All right, the person me check say. A bit mama say, as we ya where say, Obana warrior na, ya ka say wa warrior. Na enye aware pa eye e kata warrior be Obana nya setna. Say na be ya, abia dan le be kuya no. Because of Obana kita kata ni e be ko ba kola. Debio.
Muntin common as you. Gano only Italy or UK says yao.
Yes.
And Asamoah Gyan and then in the call honey Kwalano. Krata dadano. A yon no ni kunu dada. And I made it say a branch and put any new year krata see and then ko. But what must you?
Yeah.
Eti anyesa Asamoah Gyan ni dage ani krata so. Eti na. Do you understand?
Yeah.
It's not like because she has document that is what Asamoah Gyan is going for her.
But let you know what document on it.
Document no one na Italy for document.
Documents, yeah. Okay.
But nya no muti se sia no.
Okay, they say UK.
Macho ani.
But UK how no say no. Wala ne ma make a document that check off all your last of.
Esan say Abranti Asamoah Gyan e na akotena ho atofie. Ono to dan no. E dan wo no ni din mu wo UK o. Na kwanya ben no no wo de to dan wo UK.
But that time now, we saw down with it. I don't get it. They are over now. On your ban, why?
Now, me see, how do you get access to buy a property in UK?
Unless you have a document.
Thank you very much. So, if he owns a property in UK, then you should see his status.
Oh, sir, he's a footballer. He's a footballer. You have a footballer.
No. There's no law like footballer getting on the ball.
No. Say okay, permit. How do you put it without permit? You know,
yeah, me can't see. Me catch you say. What do you say? Obani document. Na Asamoah Gyan in Nkwane Mbani Gina so. Na me catch you say.
That's all I was thinking.
And I me catch you say the property is owned by Asamoah Gyan. And when he travels, he's able to sleep over. Okay. Obesa kwaji. Major me from how.
Because you will be in the big Bema automobile. Not only a fufra, a woman here. Now Asamoah, here you Bema Nessia Monty, but there's
it depending on Asamoah. The ACC and UK 40 are gay who bachelor. A felon.
Because of our arena, no.
What you say? Yes, I'm guessing. And Asamoah Gyan is being very lenient.
But maybe I think it's a ruling about the saying a word here but maybe I should give a banner campaign for finding the means way we say Asamoah and then the war and mark from the answer. There are my men on it's in the finding means you'll be a baby. Megama Obama and Walana no matter for great peace. Say our rented and go to the
Nayan never hoy. And then you can die.
Tell you not someone see wants to say if you are big jam here, and your man.
Now, sense so German. Or German said then. I don't know, what is the locus? Then on channel dying for what? On channel dying for what? Or be money baby at nan kwalani nti. Ese ye ka say the UK dan ma gay. Nan kwalani de netio, nan kwalani nyi no be so ko wale a. Onye den. She should stay without getting married. When the baby no. In your house?
Oh, and I make just say make us say I guess if you are you know. But what I'm trying to say is that because of
everything that Asamoah Gyan can do is to give a house for the children. So when she's living in that house, she knows this house is for my kids. So she can live freely. But if she's living in a house that belongs to her, that is still in the name of Asamoah Gyan. The Asamoah Gyan controls it. If tomorrow morning Asamoah Gyan goes to sell the house, where will she live? That's why I say I pity this girl. I feel sad for her. I feel very sad for her. I don't think this is what she planned for her life. And it's a lesson to the rest of you.
Well, but I don't know, say lawyer now. The lawyers, when you can't jump, say I did say no one if you trust arguing before
now what the one I got time with you. I didn't see 2002. Yeah, why 2013? Now you the case now court 5 years ago. Who got divorce a backdate another. Now one way about.
So separation 2 years they don't recognize as a marriage.
But if they don't recognize it, you have to pursue it and go for divorce certificate before you marry somebody else. She didn't do that.
I think it has to be a lesson to.
That is what we are learning. We are learning lessons from Asamoah Gyan's judgment and baby mama. That is our lesson for tonight. And let me tell all of you that I understand that it's alleged that Gift is watching and Asamoah Gyan is also watching what we are doing right now.
Because
they are all watching.
It's just because of men will get to know. The they force themselves because of Sika Krana, but you could come but you only almost all
now, what you tell you, say, a man, baby, or what? Oh, my giant woman, come on, and you're with you.
Because of Kakra, you know, you can listen actually, the money in your property.
Obi the necruity, and I'll send you email, say, bear manager, and you track rat, and bear money in Dimda. Mistake. And I email be by no could be here. You who say, hey, Obana ko email be cratasso. Your man is 60 days to vanish from the country. 60 days.
Is it possible?
Yes. Yes. In UK, if the woman files for you, she will not renew again, and you become useless in the country. So you either become an illegal immigrant or you apply. You don't know.
for you or worry because or worry or no best sign counselor or barber sign bema be sign into say will be tremor. I was some men to me who be before you to
Mrane say what me so ma Debbie my water we a citizen and a mawaro and me yoku and the one I renew mammy. My daughter has here. It was Germany, it was UK. It's one renew my status now, mamia. You can say I'm no more your husband. Minya me krata. Sama demi one a different, but my wife is citizen. Eti wo krata so na me da. Eti say
sorry. Now can be say Obano and then they be worried, yes, say, who notice. Said Uncle be a bear say, what worry and now we wait me a bit.
Yeah.
That was Ghana.
Yeah, good. Yeah, more time be Obiama.
Ghana 21 days.
Good. Now Obiama no. Now Asamoah Gyan any say Obana worry.
There be only.
Then one find shame.
Or coffee and shame. Oba fahin wa hwehwem.
Dentia, why do shame na say timia worry dia? E automatic me kunu ne ya worry asensan.
Mrane say. Debi, mrane say. Ye wanyama mienu wo court. Ye wo divorce. Ye wo annulment. Divorce ne kire say ya wari enkoye enti yengu awade no. Annulment ne kire say men kan po da say ye wale. E san say nyama bi wo ho a anko ye ene fa so wale.
Okay, adentina anko ye.
Esan say no ba na wale dada. No an kan kire.
Ba ne be ware no. Tio. Ansa na oba ne be ware ya mamu notice kire say bibi wo mu a mu meka.
E no ba na nka. Oba na nka.
If you have a Asamoah Gyan be ka so ba na ware ana. Asamoah Gyan do ni so ba na ware.
Oba na nka se ma wale. Otro say I am single.
That means some worry.
And as you see a krata na da court ni kire say abaye ya wale. Oya Mrs. Abuaje. Ewo Ghana court.
Wow, and nipa ba put me be worry 2 times or Ghana court.
Oh, hima. Momo na moye numbers, munye nipa. Enti na mo de ani ade. Ye wo de nipa o. Ghana for ye nipa.
Ghana for ye nipa.
Momo nye nipa.
So okay. Some nipa.
Momo ye goose. Enti mo kita numbers.
That house lampacho. Wama semne yes star tobo.
But your mama me gift na me 5 hours. Bonnie Ben Mayam. Mama me gift na 5 hours na doors.
And a dear nipa as the man who can assist you.
Ose
Momo ye numbers.
Momo ye nipa and a momo ye numbers. America ye nami.
America for your approach for
and a numbers and a Ghana for Muye Nipa.
Meda so homa me.
Okay. And to Muye Nipantino, yet me and show more Munipa for no say or Bani ya warif.
Meda so
what you married 2 good times. Ever 1 court.
Oh, that's the normal. Bema kra awari twice. O wari wotema. No wari wa kra.
If you are Bema, open me our rate me no miensa. But Obama, ye come once them you.
Debut. Me Obana sama ye kan. De kan on tias you. Obana be ware dada. Bem say obunani gusu sa ware no me ja Bema na betina me baby. He said ye moti.
If you are Magana court say Obana ware.
Bibi wo hostel say wale.
Ah,
then ye koya ma na yaba. O wale wotema. Na me chon de ba kra enyi hwema
Ghana ni tia
na say abrochire kra etisa abrochire ba bi etisa
then because what worry me so worry me 2013 na masa akosa me be worry me nye divorce Makosa me san February 2023. Na any amount counselor.
Wawaro ewa Accra 2013. Na we jam ko Kumasi so ko wa eyi mame.
Oh, okay.
Counselor.
Me ba chomo fa gift ni mbra na menye na menko na de mo ye.
Mama, how the Ghana no your computer system no and this average.
And no nice again, yeah. And no nice again because cemetery yes, first our no and our repow.
One kai. Awari bi ani Ghana enya awari pa munja de mo kan e awari pa.
Me pa just say bi oni ni nua papers.
Eni en fire ye nim e awari pa.
Mama, say ya say ya awari pa.
So, counselor, what's the fear now? Yes, what's the fear now? Banana or England, no, danger now on to me.
No, your wine. Why am calling mommy? And that in your money dying.
Because what's name cross or proper one or chance?
Or prepare Muselle at the house of Betna fear prepare ma dying there in India.
Because why,
you may.
Counselor, what's 3 years, cry.
Not 3 years, or 3 years as what? Babysitter, cleaner. Another article. One case on Tani Bahu, Berman Jin said, name Mano, Niri, and name Madeti. And the PSS, son of Bano, be our that.
So this
only Bama Wamba or the fear to me channing, but war ban ought to mean Chawashi. This or not being your friend gifts. Then also gift to know your dream once in your dema. Yet me gift too. Marat me by Jiffy Hawk. It's a gift to know and you're reasonable.
Ghana and your cast enti England and soon if you want Ghana court into me Casawa England property no and also all can say
Mrabia ni ho obi tumi ruling fi Ghana and by UK no president Nana Akufo-Addo.
Okay on see about Ghana KME but bibi to say Germany who be drew chrome ha just translation I translate word and now I register wa ha.
No, I then. To was no, I then. To was no, I then. No, now, only Germany near translate. I know I then.
No, Japan register say my
what is the
Ghana KME?
What is the outcome? There be the outcome. What is the outcome? So what?
So translate ticket now from the ticket. It doesn't take a day.
There be the all kind of mountainous here, or say, the all kind of say, what the Ghana, what their crata, if you Ghana, the bad Germany. You translate investigative. You get to me say, wow, wale. Not just a wow, wale. And the natural say, Omoji Ghana, what they need to be with Germany. Mammy, tear me. Mammy, tear me. Mammy, chiro. And then, Mammy, tear. Omoji to me say, wow, wale, Ghana. Tear me. Say I just to say what worry with Ghana. And no just say motor dying with Germany. Ghana wrapped in Bejima.
I didn't because me worry Ghana, son of Germany crab.
Wouldn't say who our year was Germany and go Ghana. So that.
There be who are ren was Germany on because the cocoon baby are worry any cocoon and dinner me pro money betting me I did dine with her mammy. Because me worry me cool.
Ma'am, you are confusing yourself. You are confusing yourself, madam. To was. Yeah, call the back na me pon. Mo grab my gift akesi. Me ya pon. Muntie me. The Americans me pese me answer. Enti muntu was na me answer. Mama good me that say. Me say, sister. What the crat if you Ghana say wawale. German for agia to mu say wawale. Enti say see a uti Germany mranse. Opa akodun so be ka say me Ghana ni. Ye betwa so. Because you are not living under the laws of Ghana in Germany. You came to prove that you and this man were married from Ghana, and they investigated and agreed. It ends there. Nobody can control your alimony from Ghana in Germany. Neither can anybody control your alimony in Ghana from Germany. Do you get it? There is what we call jurisdictional disputancy when it comes to the law. So nobody can give you a property in Germany because your husband is in Ghana. Say Ghana. Or to me, say my wife is in Germany, so give me the house in Germany. I hope I've answered you.
So it means that there's no way if something happened between me and my wife, me use as a certificate to claim anything I have with the Ghana.
No way. Or go ahead then.
So it means that if that be the case, yeah, then I said me and Ghana and so everything is valid, so basically I claim will be for me.
Say my worry UK.
Yeah.
Men can it what him say? Emrane wo UK reach say. Wo no ida worry wo UK no. Ade bi amaba be ye wo Ghana bia no. Ese mutu ahun tax wo UK. What him?
So to people.
What him say? Every asset you acquire. Once you are a citizen of the United Kingdom and the United States of America, any asset you acquired offshores is in the United States of America and UK's government's name.
Because you are citizen.
So if there's any controversy on the asset, because you are paying taxes on it, you can do a claim for it.
But here about the case, you don't pay any tax.
So it's illegal property acquired. If you are paying taxes and you go and lose, you can file for bankruptcy and they will.
So it means that I'm ready to worry no Ghana be a man.
Oh, and they'll be unstoppable.
Make me register.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What's the idea? They say Uber Ghana be registered as what?
No Ghana passport there.
Because in the first place, Uber Ghana be as what? As a visitor. You are holding a visitor's visa. How do you come and marry?
Yes.
How do you have Ghana? Are you a dual citizen? Are you a dual citizen? You don't feel the Bible. I don't feel the Bible.
There's a way a citizen will country be so dear. And at their work a funny pack. When you're citizen now, cry just Ghana citizen. Now, what's the crony so dear? What's the UK, but you Ghana need ya? Then, who qualifies for the back of our Ghana?
That's so.
Yeah.
I'm not American.
At the Uber Ghana, you come with a visitor's visa. So any property you acquire, you are not a citizen.
That
you are an expatriate.
That means that we are Ghana. Nane obi or citizen of UK and Germany be worry Ghana KMA and also.
So the one be worry obi Ghana ni. A citizen now automatically no. Bearman and no ko ana oban na no ko. Until who enter UK, you are entering as the wife of a citizen. When make catcher say, who better than documents so for some time. Your investigation now. Ni ama also clearance. No have a deal. And I do me so renew mawa. Obetuma decline as a husband. Now watch lo. Ni ama 60 days to live, stay as an immigrant.
What do you got?
Partner or a wiki down, bet me at slow.
Oh, that's it. And for their children, was
But counselor, I'll say, we are Yeshiati. But I'll say, for 4 to a year time mistakes up to date, even a year our real crowd will be now and for 4 and to go minimum. The map and
so when in the idea, there is any mistake. So in the idea, allow me. The woman said, "Ejumoyeno, one besua dear Ahmed and lawyer. One besua dear Ahmed and lawyer, Ahmed and security officer. And in Zika Samunku, and in Palani Yano. And the Obano said, or the boyfriend, and the boyfriend is my ben oil by day, and your bank and Palana, and your Okoji ownership by a day. And I mean, what on Tia said?
The council can buy my say when you will be and you will bear man. 18 what into the same name council.
And I'll just say, higher quine won't tear some Nancy, any other meeting. I say, yeah, you because why is sa.
Yeah, because of my. Will surely come against us.
Tomorrow. So it's a lesson we've learned. We've done 5 hours. What's that Ghana now, Abuja?
No, Abuja. But because of that,
Ghana, I buy only year, I bet you so bold near tourism.
Near the Ghana,
What it you? Yeah.
As a number to somewhere I worry for.
The band then.
One and I worry for, but I very much.
It sounds like I bind to say I worry for in some people are in.
Yes. It's an ordinary and that ordinary that.
That you know, only Obian knew that and fire, and then they are doing.
Counselor Mepacho, Madam, worry, what did you now worry? Ghana? I must decide. Yeah, and a bearman Edina Abaha. Now, before bearman Edina Bano, one Oma Omuari must say, Ona Oma Obano, Echo Accra, High Court, Echo ye, Pipa, say, or marry that. So she's allowed to be married in any part of the world, baby or Pipia. Do you understand? It's not Madame for no effort say, maybe or their filing documents. Intina Oman a sadi. I'm a madam for no afforjo make up my signature. And I dear ye adino. Fair of a pania ban and worry. Omni Mitchell. Aha, and a bam no Obana baby room. But people know that for madam for no till date. Ah, be money and one.
Paper never want your paper baby.
Yeah, Madam for no ever quiet or pot there on warrior, she still single. Or more warrior, our Arabian new woman.
And you know, now so no more warrior now.
No more warrior.
But what cause the crack, I say, or you're single?
When you're single, or more warrior, and I'll quiet cat and walk.
Say, or warrior.
How they are for David Toso.
With us still Ghana, sour more red, we say no.
Red no and your gazette, and we have affidavit of change of name. 80 Kratana Wakoya Nichre say, A be a one near friend Mrs. Jan. Wakoya Krata say, on your Mrs. Jan view. Tisia no wasamba ni dedem. Your friend Miss Vanessa Kwansa never pedin. Mama ninte ne ho ase se sakra dian wa besisa no. E dian wa besisa o started tro ne papa din bio no. Eno nkyerɛ sɛ awade ani egu. Emene no so an obete ne piga. Awaye no.
That means that so me be man worry.
Opa.
Onsa de na o mo aboni.
Me so opa onfendi agro.
Counselor no be no worry o Ghana KMA. Na woni ne wo krom ha no oba Accra AMA ebejaya eyeyi abroad partner ba ko ni nim se wa beja.
Obeja wo wie no obre wo certificate of divorce ana.
Oba she mai e na kire se wono nim so wa beja.
Because so you're careful. So you're careful. Obetuma be di ntro ni ayaman no agi certificate of divorce. Enti wo dey ati ono se yanje. Obi yes agirigiri say onye and I'm going to hwehwem no why.
That means when to me am jai no mebwa because of
wajano.
That means sebia wono kunu wa abrochira na ni papa ni semti oba no be ma no mo worry o mas no be jai wa Accra eyeye abra one country
the other once or the marriage certificate na ba ya file say adenti na muja na o say yen serve no really service 1 2 3 1 ba no see o umfi as I say one person otumi ko di ntro once o nikita certificate no e kire say ya wade certificate otumi di ja but the woman say
that means ne kra obetimi akoshia akwaji atiti
and me just say otumi go through na a man certificate of divorce ewe ya no it ends there. And your catcher will say to Wasi, or catcher will say with Jawa, demand a copy of your divorce certificate. One farm mawa, don't believe say with Jawa.
Counselor, somehow can I hate you? Ya serve me now on one says ya let any quantity talk. Me who serve a court as serve me, but truly not a minute ya serve me.
Someone responded. You've not responded. So as you are sitting, for you, you've not gone through any procedure to go through divorce. But the man you are married to comes to tell you, Makoja Ghana. And I may say, Obekacho say Weja Ghana. The only thing you should do is to demand for a copy of the divorce certificate. Obiako divorce, your money too. And to what ya? A whole nebe engineer so I better find a fast man. And I'm saying, higher point home. Thank you very much.
Okay. Okay. No, sabe because what getting yourself was she akwaji na wo amesi won sem but what the divorce in a prayer with ya then baby bra cause several wa adan na won so won san kai ho nyina ebe yi about
na make say or the man wo pe no ada na say na afide ya start your investigation be at the okita in your original divorce hi kwan mo ma me kira de nyina me send you scash me yine ne memba
and no because who tie na chance say betie more because
na say mo ma gift obi am ma gift bia
me
matna internet no so 5 hours Asamoah Gyan ne yiri ne mama menti manua from say na yiri on wale da
na Asamoah Gyan so about training baby say example on adie 10 na adi tu ama obi a wo 8 na wo 8 wa win nti ada no ba no ma bloggers kasa to say they wa winning
ya bo
no so one finish so a adi na okaka
there be a motive no the kind ni say yeah ya cassette no Asamoah Gyan sa say we lose case na say agigi nyama ma girl no say ya agigi ni say the girl ni ka so pen enye no the ama no Or see or $1 million. Or see or £5,000 a month. Or see or fee we say or car we see. Nyama baby or see or Jinina. Young farm man. And the abandoned and Akasa Asamoah Gyan lose case in our court.
And the ways of requesting for DNA.
Jose.
And once that DNA not for you and also, and me just say what is pretty or man, just to say, yeah, what are you to balance?
Yeah, for Papa and interested in me. Bibi and Papa and interested in it. A bear the bear was a wooty way now what they were year at 5 years, 10 years, more woman. Not that will pay. Was all was the young way just like that. BBS, one she won't she. Come on. Me a young emotional, we should face the fact, you're real.
Na dear ma obano Asamoah Gyan prince wana sesi ade de amane.
First no them say oga say we yan no them say me kasa baby na ma obia ebin.
Kan yesu kasa no oba ni nya bi no matre.
Oh enkola na nya ne mba o. Enkola na nya ne mba o. Enkola na Asamoah Gyan ba.
Counselor on na nyim 9 months was say ni figure e was sankwala ne. It's one year no a girlfriend, but what's say Asamoah Gyan man baby? Because I am a mama.
Jadi okay come. Jadi okay come.
Counselor, no. Men come out Asamoah Gyan no kwaje de origin. Na on fama oba.
Enti baby Asamoah Gyan dia man you could call them.
DNA no mo ye DNA time na ye condemn si pa ye DNA no na disrespectful.
Okay, so let me correct this one, please. Asamoah Gyan's DNA was not a personal request; it was a legal request. So let's be careful. And the reason for the DNA was because when he found out that they have never been married before, because he was somebody's wife, and the time of the previous marriage and him, he wanted to be sure that the 3 kids are all his. So he opted that the court should give him the chance to do a DNA. It was out of the court that somebody brought the statement out because he didn't even want it out there. He wanted just a clarification. Are the children mine? Even me, I fought him for opening. And he said, no, this is his reason. So that there will be clarity. So why is the disgrace? Do you get what I'm saying? So the disgrace is not anywhere. The disgrace is that you are married and you've ignored that marriage to be married again.
Counselor, I'm not really saying what you are saying. Counselor,
Masa, ye ni aware money bi awo mremu to.
Counselor, time omo pakoye DNA ni kra no. Na Gifty was not aware of it.
No, it's not true. She came with a sample at the airport, please. It's not true.
She didn't come with a sample. They took their kids.
Please, they came to the airport together, please. Please.
They came to the airport to get her.
Yes. So thank you very much. So she came. She was aware.
She came. No. Or say or buy and no crowd say
she was
she didn't know a lot of things.
Girl.
And then they took her to
girl.
Your friend is saying
girl.
Girl. Mandina was saying
girl.
And then they took the kids that night.
Because they don't need a sample from her to do a DNA.
But at least they should have informed her.
Oh, hold on, my sister.
That was very disrespectful.
Though. In what way? Don't use emotions to speak. No, hold on. You see, hold on. People. Let's stop these things. No, hold on. Hello. Hold on, Royal, listen. You people are using feminine talk. Can you imagine that a young man who have decided to live with an angel for the rest of his life have just discovered that after all that I've done, the woman was already married? Why are you not thinking that way? You think someone wanted to marry and stop the marriage?
I don't mean to worry, but like the way said we are DNA.
So what brought them? Hold on. Hello, hear me. If the lady, hold on. Tobas, if the lady could have accepted, say, my worried Adanka, would there be anything? The DNA was for the reason that let me be sure that the 3 kids are mine. Because I don't stay here. And it doesn't mean that I don't know. I am married to somebody's wife. Oh, young lady. There is hello. Madam. Only you bear my back court so be worried. Now be trust say he's single. He's my husband. Nobody knows say you. So your name say you are bonny. So don't bring that one inside.
Asamoah Gyan in pass or any
Madam. Asamoah Gyan him say, why didn't you? Ultimate dinner. He kase why that no. Onim nipa ban a waware no. So he has the right to do clear because that time no. Now most footballers in India, you forgot about that and the rest.
Yeah. Or that action.
3.
Last, then they put it.
What 2 money ready?
And then on TV and no say, when you meet me a bema, good, where is Unia Bema from? Provide Unia Bema from. Oh, I know about me. Oh, when you meet me a bar. I am Katana, and I'm Baba Father Boy, and I went in I in
England, and Asamoah Gyan team or do England say, Wabito Fie, a England class a crater. Tell Asamoah Gyan team and not England.
Now, why do you now? Hey, mommy, why ain't not you? Why ain't not you?
Asamoah Gyan was after Ghana citizen and now in England.
Massa, Messi, Mammy, Asamoah Gyan atofie wo UK. Krata me kire say fie ni Asamoah Gyan dia. E ba say na UK aban man ho kwanto odan wo UK.
Because I a world footballer.
And the world footballer to me to odan.
You have a work permit.
Oh, ebusiafo, monto boase. To boase. Oh, ebusiafo, adi ni yesu, monto boase why? The fact that you have a permit doesn't mean you can buy an asset in the UK. Please. There is a status. Working permit. No, working permit doesn't give you right to buy an asset. Go and check the law. What I'm saying is that working permit doesn't give you that. Your gross income level can give you access. For example, in Canada, after 100,000 balance, you can buy a house. But I'm talking about
Canadian passport, other?
Yes.
Only Canadian passport.
Yes.
I will show it. Asamoah Gyan can show that bank statement. It's not to me for England.
No, it's not statement. Your income flow in the country. Hey, my friend. As we speak, anyhow that Asamoah Gyan owns a house in UK, the issue is that Abayo neti won oti kurum su san say oye Asamoah Gyan yere. Pasisiano. And as a siano. Ose. It's in America, I will say A diner ya de man no. Men fuaso. Obetimi atena ho. Obetimi atena ho se enkwala ne maame. Anam ti ase.
Yeah, because Asamoah councillor okay. I'm giant what a friend so by how many years so one year because who crowd say a year is so the kunu dada. It's not that Asamoah Gyan team what or tell Asamoah Gyan team or you can stay or hand a man tia or in a side chicken tia and now what because they are warring.
Hello. Hello. UK Abrabo put me my girlfriend. Put me third nine my girlfriend is accepted. What is that?
That means I saw some girlfriend
and I may say dear me Kenya by a would dear come make us up for the last time. Dear the American may say dear by yentia Asamoah Gyan didn't got na horse ne after and fear baby Yabeka children say obey na wale no and I went to one among the court and a court aji penisa kafra selu obey ampa and na wale no and ya buy you na na won kwala miensa no o wale ne da it is a sakrata no gina so no ne kwa abrochire se na yire a ya twem wo ha no. Not just a sakratan is not valid again as a wife to Asamoah Gyan again. She's no more Mrs. Gyan. So who is she? She is the mother of the 3 kids because by DNA, the children were given birth by this woman. And these are Asamoah Gyan's children. For that matter, if there is a house they are living in, she can still stay there as the mother of the children.
And the paper on the stay now they take a honey. Because first, no yes, Asamoah Gyan. I have to and I was stay promo because of Asamoah Gyan.
Because of the kids and Kwalan
and our England, my boy, Sana Obaji. So married because of marriage to Asamoah Gyan in our England.
Mama G, so we emotion if you now the logic to us now. We better the account
should watch it. But I didn't see that when it comes to here, they're not a man in a scatter. Now, baby, why?
Yes, the mom.
The fact that you the power, we remember and remember the action performer.
I said, Baby, you are going to be no back penny crown and so you know, back penny,
now show you back constitution. Oh, how to say? No. Oh, how they say now swing.
Jan cannot tell us. He didn't know. He did not know the lady was married before. Asana kona airport in Tiao. Moses say ya ukase.
Madam.
Airport in
Madam. Madam.
Yeah.
Madam.
Yes.
Mami bisa asemi ba hold on. Obisi Asamoah Gyan was aware said the girl was married and was a co-warrior. between Asamoah Gyan and girl one ejimi.
Yeah, but I say China.
Oh, sister. Yeah, answer question to me. My maybe a question. Abaya ni nimse wa ware. Wa ware. And wa be shia Gyan. And a Gyan awa na wo miensa. And as a siano, awari na be gu e san se no awari dada. And wa dada Asamoah Gyan wa ware no. Na mi bisa se musi Asamoah Gyan no nimse abaya na ware. Between Asamoah Gyan ni abaya one ejimi.
Oba na ejimi complete.
The man in himself already has. And I can also when it would or tear say na we die before okay. Oba na ejimi.
Mami, bema na say tia, bema na say, bema na say tia say wa ware na wo na wonim say wa ware. Na wonim say awade a wo komu. Say awade ba ko no kopie a ebe declare wo dey say bigam. Ama we lose. Shall lose ya we lose.
Yeah.
And your partner Asamoah Gyan one ejimi.
Yeah. Also you need that. Okay, sembi say. Obi ba o say mo fa mens mo san komano. Na me de wo hu manim pie mo jai me. E was ye jai saade.
Mo de mo fa emotions.
Ma me ba penini no ko jai no.
Mo fa emotions nin kasa wa bro chiro jimie sa.
Yeah. The idea small omo. Ebusiana kraso onkwa. Ne bapani o. Ne nini akitu no de aswa no akoto atwene be ma ne fi. Osimejan.
Yeah, Fransa engu kota wadi o to munja jimie no.
Because some say they see na what am I wa dey using na ye di bisi anyansa. Hello.
Yes. Abe. Teacher na bre. Baby, I do no be on your advice be an but your friend mo chire ni nkasa na teacher na bre. Mo ncha na fi. This is here na ya. 862. Na mane ya +1. Abeta me ba. Mo to mo bo ase. Obi antro na ma no. Ho chirewa na frɛ na mane yɛ +1 ɛyɛ +1 ɛyɛ +1 862 571 3950 862 571 3950 Yanko abeta uba yanche me pon na mi tie ko
issue kakra
abeta
me husband worry 13 years
mo ya de o wa bre de 13
worry no ni next na me continue okay me wo 2 weeks na onya visa no call US Pacho wa call US all this while so call 2 years later no and of friend me say opese oni broni bi worry until when ya judge do Cape Coast into sending his car on na kasa menko na yenko divorce na mama nka nhwe ya no family enti no me ye data na ma woketwa na me so manka mistake am here manka nche me relative bia me sister penny ku na me catch her no ba no say see akwa wewi enti me ko ye na I quite remember judge me say me say mami case is be ba me e be do baby e be dan nso kwa manka che o husband say me ye but wa pa me chow na wo what ya say na me so o pa cho an other one no so on kwala too if in kwala me kwa wo maintain no say kwala ne ma me we na me so pa cho mo ma me won sa won but me ne kwala ne na ti wo ka so that time na ye ti me ti chamber home me ye midwife e wo ka so enti no e wo mu sa na me husband e ya oni enipa tu na aware but e ya na problem aba enti one day me wo ho na or catch it will be friend me, madam, me husband, for friend, they say. But me husband, worry me, or won't call out to na abanoma back, the step daughter. No, so I call worry woman. Now I say, Akalane, Nipa 10 years. Into no, what Fakolana or didn't into all this while. That time I made one my husband, that girl was 23 years. It's no one, my husband, this friend, say, who husband, Nabano man, or the new babu show, I'm more obi abe wareno. Into no name cat, and I already, now make one of my compare die or no, because I'm say, may now way, and I'll say, I live without you. We visit my husband and darling to qua. And you can't say, luckily for me, or a girl named Yavisa. Into me family, name my husband, or quanto cosa, and my husband say, or the more the other wallet. It's a make a macum and so me. It's a me wahana or ma will be see you with Nipano Mante, or be worry me. It's the or be worry me no, in our fale guy in the fale man, Mr. Menko. The council, my name Kalani, the nun for qua. Messi Dami could discover my mesoma support Messi 5 bedroom, a bone sign, my top blood, because who brought to be there for my friend husband. Now I send this car a dear million in making in the total. I think Kalano, or mammy, I saw in the me. I should do the me husband say, Mimi, what ye, many in Kalana to not 7 good years. Many what you say to Uncolana Mamma Befa and Colana say abroad now. Yes, Sina Missimono, Meso Menemepano, or my Befano, but me has my coffee the same house and ma woman no name Colano. Fine. I said, yeah, guy not many wallet not falling at them. I am a cherry. A good baby, a guy in the frame say, me up and the Juman more US was on cancel your oil. Na what prefer only me jai. It is a one cancel no yen necessarily the best me mammy, me babu or bema ye deport me husband. Guy no name worry no. It's the guy needs to through in our call or far lawyer, me way na process no no or more cancel no. Hey, it's a me husband talk then abasa how we one month now 9 good years me banning me. Let me say my property now mount the other and they misunderstand in front and back. It's likely Madame Fubino connection. That was last year. It's when you know, and I may call you amount no more, you know. My family.
Oh, I can't. What's up?
Because you loan. Me patcho me jina so.
Inko boy.
Me patcho. Aha.
Abeta kasa. Na sorry body it you also for na abre.
Na baita umfa number na mfreno.
Mama beta onka kakra owi anu eja gift kese bi ato.
Why? A higher one. We are for number.
I bet I was on tell me uncle. Maybe I do idiot.
See, my problem they say me a connection and me for US last year for 2 months and I me buy for me husband. Council me never do Ghana and me husband asuma ne me so me father ne me mother. It's me wahana me papa friend say me husband ne good for ne in family. Say me husband to me that away. We watch reading or phone to enemies to not give. And some baby, fine. It's the last 2 weeks in a family in the park F4 or any husband you come say, yes, if you are really time. It's no matter how the patcho, my husband says so accept it. Accept it. Say, what family say, me or Jennifer, I'm the company for no. And what this a man for later when put to US the Kana and conform for a minute husband to my own or did took it and I'm a person. Me 13 years, me no woba. And I know me and me 6 years, you will take the work paper. So, after I had to transfer, yes, now me and my it's me moving for you. Also, I mean, now I it's a counselor. I didn't have the year bed in a mommy.
Sister.
It's a advice.
Sister. Oh. Yes, sir. Our first one, I'm here or court. Who got you? Who tell me my certificate of divorce, Anna?
Certificate
of divorce.
Oh, miss.
Sister, how do you hear me? I'm a certificate of divorce. I'm a.
Now I know my back password, Jordan. Don't make me my back password, Jordan.
Maybe so. Yes, sure. Say the demand was this certificate of divorce. That's what I'm asking. I have a reason. Because say about certificate of divorce, dear. Not just say, could declare our area said null and void. It means you've gone for divorce. I better. Until you got divorce by, you know. What by any of baby, I'm a bearman and I'm a boy. But some tea won't come more. Was it Japadia Bia, what to a biano? Would you or no any would ding in a was so? Ananyaza. Our receipt need documents in our
documents in our may have
oh, I better to was say, when you're jam would you be? But you day, I'm what to my bear my other one thing. Then I okay. Oh, sister. Sister, I be about sister to was. Sister to was. Sister,
some more question,
to was. Maybe I better day in a honest cow. I don't know how many. Would you be any? I better see. I better.
Yes, counselor.
I better me boy my wasri. Oh, uklube tu bata. Uklube tu beta. Minsure dro. Minsure court. Offer dro so me fair dro so kwa so me kwa sorry. The me here ni say. One me be fa adwin. The say fatal. Me jama. Why?
Amen. Amen.
Now busia for ya mama di won ho ya. Go pan Johnson ware una se ni sen. Me ni o num. Why? Abusia jimi for. Sister ma wani mbre na menya ma. Na sam ba ha beka che wo se magia ma. What you say? Jai sunu. Na bonyum nasa. Bonyum nasa aye time. Say midwife 13 years. Where Joby Batan or 13 years. Also driable. Now to why you then? Oh, you better what I know that I Jimmy sa near the tetem. Mammy, Fana money and you come make sure in Yansa. Jimmy. Sa dear near was in here.
One thing I'm saying is that doesn't pay. Counselor, once being a girl, I say it doesn't pay.
He pays, he pays.
One month I suffer more.
No, he pays. No, he pays.
It pays, really.
He pays, he pays. But it depends on where.
We are those that suffer.
No, it depends on where you are the good girl at. That's the issue.
Yeah, because we supporting and not pay back in the
now that he's telling me, say, connection na me here na PCI no we chase kanama enkofono nti sa visa na me menya 5 years visa no me compensation or the money I should go to hell whatever that I want.
Don't worry. I better. Hell is a nice place meant for all of us. So you won't go there alone. We'll invite him and you go to hell together. Okay.
But I'll go for US 3 months no they call you, but he has stayed there almost 10 years now.
I better. Do you want to come and stay in the US?
Yes, I want to come there.
Don't worry.
I don't have any place.
Oh, you don't have. I better. I better. Hear my voice. Maybe this show was done for you. I promise you. Me, I promise you. Your husband will beg with tears in his nose, not the eyes. 13 years.
Amen.
Unless you don't want to follow my rules. But if you follow my rules, he will cry with his nose, not the eyes. 13 years. And you are able to prove to me that the properties, your name are on it. Agbena Company Limited. Sister, nama na wajino. Eye nama medi ye jumedi die. Enti hwe nama ni ye na nama ba ko ansane anko. Eye +1 862 571 3950. Abeta. Koda. Tobuase. Ah, good. Tobuase. Ye keskesema na udi dede be higher. Abeta.
No, sister.
Take the number. Abeta bon sema ho wan ko midwife ne kwa me say abrantie ye be che that's where Jimmy a che 13 years to wo ye den ha uko Pentecost Abeta go Pentecost it's the way Jimmy Sar Apostolic, Pentecost, Assemblies of God, Roman, Ebawalia, Jimmy Sa, Lighthouse, ICGC, Jimmy and Kwa. Umo be about now, on 13 years, then the man is fooling. And the church says, Yengwa, what's saying one name? Are you married? Nonsense.
Counselor, obviously, a better problem or the same, but now or Canada. Because I better organ.
Jumana Mayer. Ofana mana. A registered land, yet more bronubiaso. Afghanistan for cry, a Joma Wadi Amawan, son of bomb. Now say, oh, Canada. Canada, they say, yeah. Abeta, I promise you that I will wipe your tears and make you a strong woman. Mark my words. Tell your family to stop fooling and forget about the church. Stupid people. Jimmy Ford. Because you are not married. You see, you are not married, and the church is forcing you to stay as a single girl. What are we talking about? A man will live with 13 years and tell you, say, he paid for your document for you to come and visit America, so that's your compensation after 13 years. What sort of nonsense is that?
It's $100. To take care of the daughter. $100. 10 million a month.
I better, don't worry.
I bet $100 we get you. Yeah, you can't say you moving soon. $100. Hey, who go? Hey, and crap for 20 euros a month. Because near Fanya Catco. The one money TV and not a book for me as so. For me, I'm not a star. Wow, I said,
Oh, yeah, manager.
20 euros, 3 kids plus pregnancy a month.
Na nyinsa misra wo nyinsa e yam from wo yare na achen na. So ba ne be ma wo miensa o ma 20 euros. Na wo do waya ase ama no egusu di ese ne kwati mu ne e fa de course so ahimem jimie sa. Matremo.
You have already won the favor of the publicity, yeah? Oh, what about
Edi onu kwa abroche na akobo odamanka. Tama won kwa abroche nu. Odi ahyawo tua. Sister. Oh, sister tie me. Angola ni entasa. Enu ejimie. Sister, na Angola ni entasa. Sister, untie me question. Angola ni entasa na.
Debi o me wo boss o mo ye for me wuntentem.
Intentem na se from yare na chi o. Wote koda kote ho. Ehun say first born papa yi jimi, second born papa yi jimi na guso wo ma no. Ugo wu ya ka wo nkwase wu kwa. My yi promax ni fi onenka jimi ni nko sister. Why? +1 862 571 3950. Why?
Papa about for 10 good years. They say, oh, Clemusa still a
There's a crack I know what they say.
Just a sister on our chest.
Because Oja 10 years ago now Coco file yanka. Our any good. I want go file. Usura wa di jaya unya wa di pa. Wetin am see Jan gay na ka bibia be ko yanka. Yebe timi now amana kwa ko gu awade no. Na Asamoah Gyan wale no. Aha. So that is, and I like the way she has comported herself. So that we can convince Jan that this girl should go and then and yet person Asamoah Gyan friend in the angel. Sano me the only because Sano can answer na same weaver. And I make us say ebe yanka. Ye ma asem nu nko yie kama. Na but mimi who say yeah obi was Asamoah Gyan akoma mu. Yeah ne say girl no lawyer no ye claims no. Sika no mo ka so mbeje no. It was too outrageous. $1 million, 5,000 pounds a month. A bit tough. Girl, a bit tough. A bit tough, because Asamoah Gyan so Ghana for year too much. And can mano. And or your kwasia or your womanizer or your baller man. Or your Jimmy Ford, they've insulted him too much. They have insulted him too much. No, but Ukonet no sooner, Deputy, Ukonet no sooner about Asamoah Gyan and wife. And Kwasia de no more kafan home, and yet. Brother, unye public figure, udo bana en fa hu, ba ya ye public figures no. Me at me di matem sa na me yiri ye mehwe. A menya hwe. Not toilet roll in answer with you. On this side. Na menka get it get wait here men temanka we nyina nkoba what does it me kasa munti mu so ya mu se ma asem ye no kura so yekogi permit be kan okure ebi na better thing we are on wale ya so isi on tena mu me be kan be kasa de get ya ko gu awale wakogu awale o court na sorry say tena ho ye gu awale Mumbisa amposi awawari ana 13 years not ho. Ye bu obi be say kun. Hello sister Kasani enko. One abe. Hello. All right, so I want to wrap up now. But you really see get near pon, right? Yeah, nkwa, you be gi any so. Yeah, check. Why pon? Then. TikTok here, mommy. Strong man fina aba. Yeah, pon. Now say then. Yeah.
Me bo abaso pa ni Jumadia Woody.
Me that's it.
Why are there? Because say Matthew for quite a long time because discussion and I'm interested. Now I bet at the end of the kind of response our man I'm in the anything I'm requesting as a mechanic.
Me that's it.
So wait me up one I'm an associate and get them because me outside. But Kwalami and son na bema $100 for a month. How can you be that wicked?
It's $100
is saying
and the strong man. The awareness said
really bad.
Strong man, the awareness said Mayor Adianama a better as pro bono of 50% discount. Inti mumbo modern said Munina onye scanning to yame. And Timunina mumbo modern said Mbebo a better, don't win to any counseling fee. Pro bono. Why?
Okay.
Because I went to mean to your pro bono now. Meet me one. Mamma pro bono. Mamunina Maya said buano. Quite child the FA, scan a day. Minimum casas is here. Matna net is so for 5 hours.
Yeah, counselor, only me sorry, me many watching bears at 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
It's me sorry, and I'm maintaining that beauty, meaning I'm happy if I'm share your life. It's me whole life, and I'm sure, mommy, and share the echo. Me, my followers are from 4 a.m.
Yes.
Yeah, about 7:18.
Yes, 5 hours.
About 7:18. And
I'm a co-producer at Facebook, so 5 hours, and then a tie, or to your trip, and I'm in Pom. 5 hours.
So,
and Timothy, what is so be Obia for $1,000 I bet China, number yammy. When you know me, air this year, and Timba better. Mumfa Monsicam, and yet, I live for a penny, a West Can come wow. When young queen, Missy Mebuano, remember the pro bono on 50% of the charges. And Timunina Mufanamano, Namunkacha better say, o first 3 sections, ye Tiama, Mayaman.
How much is the pro bono?
Fanamana Fred. Your enterprise and your supermarket. Oh, depending on team word.
What worry about? Oh, but the video change.
Yes, sir.
The video change.
No, it's too much.
Because $100 in a month. Waiting collateral. How on earth I'll be? Sorry. This is really bad.
So men like this,
really
Men like this, they don't die. They only open pharmacy. When you maltreat a woman, you don't die early. You open a pharmacy.
It's really bad. Seriously,
no, but strong man. Obinsu say ni kunu enkwala 4 ni nyinse. Oba 20 euros a month.
I don't know. I don't know.
But hear me, the idea abrochi for no. Etore mo ye nkwase ade a mentimo ase. Time oba no enfi Ghana mba ye no. Wo di ahya wo ba fie be di no tua 20 euros. Wo di watade ekọ ma yesi utua 15 euros. Ye be clean u fie ma utua 40 euros. Na oba yi ba ye o si nyama o clean fie ho. O ma we di free. Wo da no wo na wo boma mu a etwa ye simudi. Na wo so ya si onye hwe ntu ma 20 na metua wo ka.
Amen to that. Amen to that, counselor.
Wo so ya si onye hwe. Aboaba onye de be hwe. Ina na ma for figure na ba. Aboa what for na figure na ba. Woni ne ba ye hwe dia oh yeah. See the contribution in the house. Their chile so kura ne se na nka unye nipa. Wa ba be wo akwa wo so wo nkwala nan ya ma. Jimi ni be ma. Emma 20 euros. Aboa bi sa.
Counselor, me.
Ne kwate achia.
Osima bifi Italy abagana obe worry and copy so wo ba akope no sign come back to Italy. But oko worry Uganda up to now yin say ma etima ntimi go back because of the baba no parents and wako back. Or banning ntimi fire from Jordan so Uganda. Ah onko e. Na obi abe won kwala ba kuma ko 4 amount. O money 20 euro a month. Now was I catch and say on manage. How dare you?
Sister Onipa or
$500, $5 case.
Because I make because it's so annoying.
So Tina OBC Asamoah Gyan 25K now they mano is swano on Tiasia. Obi na eji $100. Enti mo emanu so a yen so ye hwe mu yie a yen ma mo bosu sika mo so mo nda ya se wai yen so ya ya ade no obi ka se to school atade obi si to school atade na Ghana de oba bi wo ho te ho feeding fee no be man say on tua transportation feeding fee and your school fees we are on tua fee. I'm telling you.
My goodness.
I'm telling you.
Feeding fee is saying transportation is saying.
Muso ya monda ya se. Oh. Monda ya se why? Na ye Jimmy dear ba monda ya se. Boko ume onye ni empong 70k na ya medam ase mfanye sika onye ma kasa una aba asisi a kasa de enko
okay Asamoah Gyan ne wife asem
ba chenye ne wife eni nkola ne maame mesra o
okay they said the idea is that baby mama sorry
yen kind of crap that's all.
Na obi try say Asamoah Gyan yawe according to the lawyer now say Asamoah Gyan and I mean the maybe say na Asamoah Gyan what would be the reason why in tia ebia obeka se court nkomehwe na asemuman because to me it looks like say onye aware of the first marriage. Let me say woman need to see. But me the make can say mine na ye pampu ye wo say wo share wo be ma bi na wo pa wo first marriage whatever say city bia na nipa na nya we so pe wa o don better
on pessoa on no one intimate to me, no, I feel like I say, yema transparency, and yet, because the would be that nipa no na one who obetaking is something different along the way, no. Okuhuye wafane asimbia ebi mada yenyina obi ane kwan obaso or receive good news if I show what they say. Ebia the way Asamoah ete news no ebia ehye na ye ya but obi so on panyebe ba wo ka kire na ebia onim kwan a obefa so a obe receive
and
nti if I show kakra me
that's way futu ma munyina bie ni amade mu ade bi nya huta ato anu aka se na tire
me pese me ka sem ba ko eche yenu amba no bi sabi se eba awarisem se Asamoah Gyan ni baby mama asemi a omonfa emotionals and tonchen no mo face the reality because se se court asem mra no mo ka yenka emotions e court enti omonti asesa mo nye too emotional because almost ye man no ombe emotional dia kasa omon hwe se dia asem ne no mo kan sa me da se
efutu ndi wato so mefa akom nko
Counselor me jar wife I found number to be bien
so no boko hwe no amfa bi amfra me pe na mo sa na ma no +1 862 571 3950 Mate. Mami Afia. Good evening, Mami.
Yes, Daddy. What to say?
Boko.
The Christmas. It's here the new room.
Hey, you ever point on Abba? Kasani and Pong.
I know what I mean. You could have been timid and I'm going to so I made it to a big who discuss here. Are they a Kulani be yet? If you have a man,
Majon Kolani in a
okay. And said the sister can say, she will be our so money.
I the Koba and said, Ushi and Son Abayano, I worried that the Bina one come, and I feel no say, or what me, and Timberase, Untimi worry me in Ghana, and you go out there, go out there. On worried that, but that's as when you're worried that our map me and son, any Kolanamami. And the Ocasa, what for BBC, I know I can in them, what I said. Obano or our dear court or court to our dear view of Ghana. And one of their sending in the abbey.
Okay. The investment to me, I can say, maybe your body is sending me your bad time 1+6. You will remember for now, the baby, I can say, said the walk canoe, a member or busher man, a man, you know, what soon you baby, a man, say, my money be brown, now we are bad, I am ready, and can say, so 4 people, Bema, said the walk to say a day, again, and your baby, you would devil. Or bad dear, make sure that Obama wouldn't let you know, wouldn't even show himself one Casaova. Well, my mother did some of the motor bomb that I did the rumor some day and found kind of but of bad dear. So far as our your bad time, said the Chipiano. Oh, power was so do near day, I saw you. We knew what more retired and a sippy pray. They added that the media so dear, but the near chippy pray to me come once and be pray. But me dear, said an hour coming to the mammy room who say, a man or who ain't what we have a man. I was saying that was a yummy ancient. It's a young man, and there was I to the
Amen.
Tiami ancient side
that was
why the path or waiting no woman attached to
that's
it. Have been so as to a woman, and not deviant so with the piano. Yes, so very at the sofa and to warm.
Amen.
Mammy, my name is Becca Canada. That's we change me to make a baby. You are kind into the mammy bell.
The work can cry Yatiasi. Why are there? Kobe Clinton.
Yeah, Counselor.
A name bomb.
Yeah, me or Canada. Na case BC, your friend is say, woman be on any US. Nikunu US no woman no Ghana. It's one no papa kwa kranenya be 8 years. And so be fanu na or the US. To say approach so what's some way you DNA near the other. Tiafum Quay DNA, Sena, Akolana, and your papa. And Utia Mana Mefano. Now, it's court to a side a general summa. Teacher, a year almost halfway, and Nessa, my men so quite maternal test. Now, Colano so near my men so bad. Nessa, there was a baby switch. Tianosa, Council and Rebecca say, court to be one say.
Ain't the only say, maternal, we need to a year because as a scientist, no. You go so be quiet, be maternal. Me. My kanda say the entire see DNA ni the day we wanna say me jimedi pa me wo me baba me ye adwuma ya resabia ni ntino me nya ho kwan ma ye de be ba ne hye me nsem na ye de me ba ne ma me a na me ka che nurse me say me ba ne hu hia me yire hu ne hia no mo bufu ye so me tia no me yire hu hia me say me ba ne nyina and me baby a wumbu ma me no unya hwe wo me ho obeli munzu atwon pe ase me ko ware me ngo ware me mba ntina be see ene me nya birthday ma me mba me ye delivery day celebration e ma me ire so no ko awo so ba but da ye wo me ba na me hwehwa me ire no o me dia kala nche na me bon pai ma no me bon ho ba na me ma nurse ne say I'm looking for my wife. So now we theater. And a children my demi banner air ban. Call to my demi banner to him. And yet deliberate. By mistake, you're swapping colana.
Sure.
And yet deliberate. And yes, sir, because you're jink me dear war, you're jink colana, open your skin color. The ya and say, Yawu near Corana, I ask is a boy, is a girl. No one about Fran. And is a boy, is a girl. It told it be a ye chan Corana say, Yawu 5 girls are. Yet meet your 5 girls. Only the same skin color, and yet to be a nobody do be back with you. It happens.
And I say, that's what tag on one side.
British Council Hall, Cyril Akolache, late Cyril Akolache. I mean, find a currency, and it shows so public concern. And I'm go creative confusion, say, yeah, man, is name tag, and in Colana, I want name tag. And I call Bushas me, George Litwood here, me, and perform penalty. And the name tag, the Nancy never.
And no more family about so deep on here, the better.
Nso mean di bone da na mean di bone so da ese mean bone enti mean di bone enti the mistake of a child being given to a woman who has not cheated on the wife it's possible on the husband it's possible maybe intimate to us here but the challenge is because usually it's difficult to do a maternal test. It's difficult to do a chromosome maternal test to ascertain sa kwalano. Mama so dia na enye ne dia. Enti ba ne sa dey. Enti obabia o kan no me jimbedi pa. Me jimbedi. Enti dia o kan e betime si. By that means, you know, the DNA report na the divorce. Na oba no chromosome report ni chire say about Fran so nye ono se ne dia. It means all of them have been treated. They can do a redress.
Oh, okay.
And they might not bring the marriage back, but they will check the alimony because by law, once you have a child with a woman and you are able to prove infidelity, the woman loses everything when it comes to alimony.
Okay.
So if she has lost alimony and want to regain herself and have a better judgment from court, because your man divorced now, the cause of the divorce is stated, and that can affect your further progress. So you can go to court with the proof of maternity, say, the context where your husband accused you of infidelity. You've gone to investigate, and you want the court to reverse that statement, and then go into the alimony if there's anything that must be shared, so that you can get your portion of the property. Because once you committed infidelity, you lose everything. So she can go back, and the law can work for her.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much.
That's like a mission.
That's
why now one can maybe meet you. I will be there. So sometimes only Brad would be a interview with cheap me idea, but then Asamoah working. I'm respect more because maybe I not the catch me could say Emma Ebeto Awari.
And correct.
We are better, yes, I will mark me young. So far as we are head of the family, no, not a year, a mother told a year, no. Hey, what a woman, but we respect it before woman.
Of course.
Obama, warrior, or the Obi Cassel Doma, and if you moja Butino, what the woman for future, and if you must. So far as a ma, a better warrior, no, that will respect that ABR, who are proud limited. On the way down, when they be now on the map. But my minute number so a mother by okay.
You told him so. You can't through the near come from there, and baby so I want a bar. No more say our dear. Too awful.
Yeah.
And my child. Means so dear man, for I will be my child. Me too, come back with you. Some million cast me to be man, I mean, Toshi. Me bad in Yammy, the command you.
No.
Me, I mean, my junior and family. Na me met you, Master Batty, near your Mother's Day, and I'm catching on say, and now you boost see and yes, me in Papa, may me him a John Maka. Me Papa so pa, or may you, mammy. Where are you?
Wow.
Me life. Me onukra me nim bi odi agbo bia essence obi baba na me aba come nti me hwa ne so ye ne nya mane na ye 6 me yire be kan ya 7 into addition and or subtraction on bushim into goju obi ade a ye ne yi sa na me what is it na me yire so obu mi ojimidi on trust me or believe me. What I say? The man move for woman be man. Tony Kasama pon why? Na me to ya. Match mo really see gift. Mo really see gift in your point left. Mo gift in gum. Hey. 6 hours. Asamoah Gyan, then the baby mama George Lutrot. Me be say me ka sana be a enkwala na enima de na start your life now. Omo nko ka de nyansem because majority of the people are going to speak with emotion, but I need to come and speak with intellectual counseling mentality. That's what I'm speaking. And Asamoah Gyan is watching.
Okay.
Yeah. I even hear Gifty too is watching. It's alleged they are all watching.
Yeah.
But that's so.
I'm saying Ghana they say you pen of credit. You kind of cry. A man for Christians and Chendia, a normal, a minor insanity. All kind of cry. Now you do act. We didn't draw the everybody like you. What I say?
And the correct.
Into the course now there. Church day, for father, if he say, Nana, yeah, 7 years as a woman, the bitchy, or more fun and quite 7 or so long. They be their own problem. Now, Asamoah Gyan, who said, me came in Asamoah Gyan, the problem pass you see. Now, many bit man say, Asamoah Gyan, say, now the wife fed up again. Me imagine no, because we say, oh, but okay, while before, and Palana in the womb, Palani Yayama. It is so bad as a open a party. I want to know what be a one good child and more be a one kind of grandchildren to me. Emma, or no Obana Wally Gayam, Miss Open, even crown. Yeah, by Bear, or Banco Bergaman, open and pass off our idea. It's really one more than mine.
be a obi wako wale na wan kan chire ono abetena ti so oba no open pa dia eno no nsisa bibia mfiri wo abrabo no ade ase oba be mo na okọ wale na wan kan na odada wo no ya obe wale wo nso no eno nsisa hwi mfiri wo Asamoah Gyan abrabo nti so oba na open ampa dia we no hu se we no betini issue bia ba but mfi se ono na se se bia oba na bibia be se odija oba nti onya sa target no mse sa target ni be solution e bitima fa se media ja oba nti na bia o point sa target ni mo because enya sa dia me pemeyere me no oba na tie wakọ wale before anka nkyere me on chichi on me nkwala na na wunya me mba oba ni suma o fi say all right me ni je ho a ade na me ko fa sa issue di aba ti hu ni sha so oba no oba na yi mo fed up ana am so o bi so oba person so ne fa point njo so ne fa point so ere ono si bi ja no mi sa na mi
twa no e bia oba no so de hu sa kwan na ono so de be fa so de ya point
oba bia aso na okay nti me kan say na me kan say aba sa so mi no se before say e tia oba ni so oba nya sa adini no bi ja be ma na say yes wanya adini oba ma say be ma na fa adini say bi oba fa kwan so ja no what I say unya hu partner say o partner no kuta adini say o per point bi no dia fa so ja o dia o so per point we fa so bi ja na mo say mu nyina mo dom ho let's obi anwi na adini bi ama obi a sa point we na ma mo dom so me dom wako fa be ma be
Abraham Minchawano. Yeah. Before say Obani be Matia Bakube decided say oh China. There's a reason.
Yeah,
so sorry keke. Yeah, and kase oh Chai Obano. So what they say?
Yeah.
And say even bibi o okra on bitimi asiesie no masa tena kra na hwe Obani demand na o demand. So what you say? O demand $1 million.
The beginning me can say I'm say point to Asamoah Gyan person.
There's a reason.
Because your point is a reason. Or by the can action say compare Asamoah Gyan point target show. See Asamoah Gyan when you target on space of somebody Gyan and somebody can say say what don't know horse and power don't know how because I know now but before say other parts and about you remember the trim share or point or weekend point. And they are Jan necessarily be our why the uncle. What I say,
all said, yeah, and better mountain, and my yeah, be a church and army. So what yes, but there's no easy step money or Barbara Palami and son. Yeah, now obey decided, said, oh, China, all of a sudden.
Yeah,
there's a reason.
It's a reason.
Ghana for your TSA. Asamoah Gyan also any power or you'll be back. Yeah, the way I'm out for the party we them sometimes I know it mobile. Because I look at Coca Zambia, it's immediate at the Bizarre say, it is any power we are. Or that social media, so 18 power we are them. One. Obey at them, Sana. Sometimes you some questions. Now, and you might be cautious here. Ghana, you to me, if you want your margin say, Udini Panatema, and the man as his sounds, the day. I don't really get it. So, person will cast them through beer, and yet them the dinner or be the dinner. And the man at was them now, Cano, and now the man I am your patch. One who's idea.
Who said after before nothing before Tetino, we may get the crack. Before the nothing was over with Apla 8, not so obey to me to Ghana. Some yet to make us or celebrated here. I can give you.
Yeah, Jimmy.
Would you be at without reason? Wait to me at the one of course for your answer.
Yeah.
Or for your against to say at the video now, we didn't know. Already,
I said, I'm running your judgment.
It's over to me, dear, attempting for you, what I'm so
running it to my information of character. Or the
or yes, celebrate. Obviously, please, obviously, me to baby.
I did attempt now. Can the amount for the picture to internet is my amount for in a red on cocoa to jump to be and I did attempt now. Come as And the attendant at Ghana for the attendant of Ghana. I put this in.
No,
Meti wasio. What's it? Yeah, kasa nyina dodo na wo outside Ghana. Enti sebe kakra yehu kakra yehu difference kakra. But se ukoka sa asem ni chiro bi o fi pe obeka tell say utu kwa da ben. We you to know. And now the ben na utu kwa na oba be kire ye ko. But yeah, you outside Ghana, a lot of difference. Difference people who be sounds enti dia koso ofie no eye day. Because me near too much there, but say maybe a man where you be at them no crown, true mammy.
Nyansa, only Nyansa and Junior, but Sabi, I just want to play. No, I am a small boy. 20 years, not are you will be your channel, Papa Crater.
Me pacho me kawa no, aye we no. After Corona no, Okodi will say loneliness akanipa. Na one create idea we say yemfa into to yemfa nsia de yemfa enya narrative bebre say the Bible can say many be kwani ya nimdie bedoso. Ba wa eno me so yi na say the obi esi odi obi ma ya si edi na tam no papa na serious.
As I say, we are crossing Ghana for social media. Yes, I drop a Ghana for Ghana for social media.
So we have a country upon a mammy say and solo. Now it was so careful. Me a share for Sakana, but I can't start our break.
Tony, I had about Tony. My main tenant and commander D and Kakran. And yes, Asamoah Gyan a Kumaswadi and so ja oba no castle or why no.
Yeah.
Court to you for don't wale. At the mana and the wale.
Yeah.
And to do your dredging now quarter. Yimbu or door, Yibumbra. Or no dear, Neniso adi huni se, wawale abayi ni na wonkola miensa.
Yeah.
But a chilemo a pie se, wawadi ubiri no. E so ye de needful. Nanka me, ne to me, and I mean a mesha abayi yanka. Immediately, no, I'll be more sorrowful and quickly go and then order a divorce and come and become apologetic for Gyan to feel sorry. Yeah. So he could make a decision to either will continue the marriage or annul the marriage. Because as we speak, Asamoah Gyan has never married before, according to the law. And I'm Remun. The only abaye ye ye come Remu abaye ya tumra. I see a chini too.
Okay, cancel about Pacho Michelle. Or Bana, why not Nipana, why no one?
Yengu no be see and ra and then in answer judge no passing judgment no o sense su bi o say e wo krataa mu sisi ase abaya ni buso ware.
Okay, then sorry for my comment. Don't visit your banner what pay a jai.
And onja e buso ware.
Yeah.
Dem atiase. Enti Asamoah Gyan so suro no ho say obi yire de wodi na akọ wo miensa. One two anamo anya de esefata wonam kra no bi de ade aboti meku.
Okay.
Abaya no enyanti ase a. Abaya no nyanti ase anka. Ye betuma ma Gyan akoso se me wale woda. Wo ya me mane maame afa na me pese me waro. Isan se wakogu wi. Enti meme can counsel no ho anka. Ye ka say 5 years ago no makogu sa krata wa da. Naso me nim say e bia ono so de nsa koka sa krata no ho a ebe ma brantie bi ho atochema ana. But Gyan de o ka say wanye ni yi na or intention enko yi. Ena number 2. Menim de o 2 girl ni for say So Asamoah Gyan bisa annulment on your demand. I don't know who gave her that advice. Divorce. A divorce and a demand. And annulment. Annulment nature say Obia didn't throw their bed dada me awarene. And the annulment. Aha, ain't ye no say what the from swan abe warren. A party saying a lawyer echo a demand of 1 million cedis, or a demand of £5,000, demand of some cars, some properties for what? So it makes a man feel say that's what the man would think. What you say now? It mean can say Asamoah Gyan is right. Men can say gift is right, but me dig gift who ya. Say such a beautiful woman to have such beautiful kids, and what your marriage will be stopped.
Me one thing is say, Papa.
Kasani enkoda. Kamedo.
I feel a so major Kafra.
Kafra, me do kani enko.
One thing I can say, I think that sometimes a dream maybe a my greediness a buy a fan. Impono say one worry no.
I think.
Any as a Asamoah Gyan a year body. Any be away send to be so a jay our way. Meanwhile, who I think they would ya to be beat ya to thank a wolf. We are word you, but one young word you could react to it. Because they when you saw our repay. Name was a new puno me a warren as Moja why you're born in qua. Enka, and Yahanaka obey your demand. Me for 1 million, me pay because of greediness. And I'm the way, and I'm the way. After young we who says, "Sell Crano." Who couldn't be crash a baby? It is Asamoah Gyan best after 6 days of the war in the park. Obeying your way up, the bunny. Chester, many would see. Then I didn't say in a wafa. So will be Jama Wally, and so we are who said Jimmy property. Tinian men a year a brenty yado. And I will say a wally dada. And can say why Jaja Padi and a gear work with the son of 1 yen or per man we see. PSAs. But Yanko Point a Nicata Mana, the chest as a cry, what worry pay. It also called come on to Naka would na Wally, and so on not cry. Because of best, I would demand that the CN. Then we are fancy but because of greediness in tea. Made to mean the son American. Because of greediness in tea. Who be Japan dear? Who be funny Japan dear? Nanka won't do on fan him die. The young person wants to match you. Match you. And sometimes, sometimes, ya and my yenja a pessimic miniano. Ya qua warrior near the any pretty akumpi. Bemme me sure send us a wager while buying one dream boneta. Me sure that say Paranco when one dream boneta. As a wood me protect a cassette. Me jammy cruna say me munch. We man would who purpose been at the bar our renew. In the sometimes I didn't want a year. Yanka say a near dear, who beg you banga Dutch bino, who be just wabba. And once then Bebamaka Tadiam yen of woman. To 5 years, and in that case, it's a 5 years. And after my own investigation, you say, I got down.
but after na court rulia me nyina ye hu se wo kra no wa ware pen ya we wukunu kra wonni so into fi say wo ye obi ade and then na wanya no na china bi onu su benya se se onu su enya e kwe obi ya so onu su betimi ni wapaso obetimi kwa mi agelu se de e kan kwa ware mienu obetimi agelu on pese onu su hawa Asamoah Gyan betimi akwane ni makwane ni ma hwe awo be chill
na de wo ka mi bi to so e ma no betimi mo dey to the sense betimi ba say bi akwa no de be ma we bra no isa wo sumate na wo go say ha isa wo obeye ono type contact bibia emba abonto to say say we ye pie na nsa na ne to e be tire esi se wudi boni a one day why because a man be ye ma a man be timo suma to the sense so wudi mo dey to the sense say who Asamoah Gyan no was go beti bia benefit be every one it go be say the group akono kra no the suma se no atonim say ha de ye say ye tie bia be every one beti kan no to na me copes camera ade ti na go di my day why you born say the council e ka no to say papa na me person beginning no the dey ma worry say be betu the tina man kan cho facha me na wo de facha me na de ye to aso na ade na wo kwa
me nye facha me nye sure say Asamoah Gyan kwa benya akoma kwa ne na tena say sa adwin kese we da wotiri mu dia senka when demand for bibia dia nka we mu nyina amba o say when demand for bia na bia ware na na bia ye dia ka bi but who dey would see so ye nti na japade nyina ma o dan be say wo kwa no the agenda na na mo
and mana mani bi mo ba wi asna nga sa ni bere pon ni afutuo pon na de mo kosa because that fish interest oh no you start you say I say na fofo sa de am yeri nyina sa de nyina okoje a o sa kope be man na sa ko tran sa di sa sweat ni nyina o
ada say nya to moja ya no nya ye bebe kamedi papa kametu party akesiye papa ebise nyankopon di bra na sama manu truly nyame di na sama manu because ndi otini baby o bi de se me ne me yere na e ware ye ne ye ma me du ko yuki ho ne ye tie na me nim se ma boni bi ko na me ye wo na wo di gina so agya ma ware yo kwa na nka nye se wo beji me japade wo beji me ni ma that means wo di agenda na enti bra no me nye sure say wo benya akomampo en se ya sa atne bi
yeah that was it but no kra bi e say yetene ne say yen ka no kra nso mu say time a gifty any Gyan e sha ase ne na onya Asamoah Gyan ye ni mi na ketwa bi hye na ta asenso de na no ngi say
you kokubu on ma they read the future.
No, yeah, what do you know? But this lady was not going in with the future. Honestly speaking, maybe a mushia, one gather will tell you a mushia. Nay, odo enintiasie. I think, say, Gyan take that thing very lenient. And till date, the entire own to me call annoying and yami penny. But I had this yamayen. Se uti Europe na brantie bi aware wo Ghana uti UK uti US na mo ya awade bi na de abufuo egu awade na dwenhu mienu yengu kota awade wo fie se na ma kire mo Nyankopon hira mu nyina se na mama atena 6 hours mufa gift ntu sana gift ne ba no ehu hia pa more diamonds akesie mu na wo a wonso wa asembia no kai se obefre me 862-571-3950 Nyankopon hira mu nyina se mbebo ame adwumedi koi adwumedi a ye nkyere se yesi Gyan edibim na gift ye di for debut the year and say, you be said, the Oma family, and my ben, I answer ye few. We just came to do lessons from the judgment of Asamoah Gyan and the baby mama, and your wife. Ye can say, Asamoah Gyan worried that. Well, you're not just so worried. Bambrani Chile said, you come, then yawadi. Only one mammy answer. Many judgments need be no and yadi. Mesa baby, me could new original judgment now. Nyame adom mesa be di common one. Nyame shiramo. Hwe hu yi. Hwe ne we nya aban money. Wo asem bi a enye na tia wade bone ho. Frem ntem ne yenko. +1 862 571 3950. Me da munyi na ase. Wo a wo ma me gift, ma me ntem na me mpom. Asamoah Gyan any gift ye da ase. Mo amaka nyina mbedi nkomo. Ansa mbedi nkomo. Mo mbra me YouTube or Counselor Little TV mbefa content yi na mo nte ase. Wo ahwe me sesi a woni me TikTok no so follow me sesi a ntentem. Woni me Facebook follow me sesi a Counselor Little. Me de ade na me ba asem bekire. Ma mbase mbekire me ho. I came to teach. The owaso ontie de sunsun ka chi asori. Me da was me fa sedaka se pa ema. Me nua bema ekoba kope. And only me ashas here 6 hours. Ye nyina ya transit. You deserve a clap, my brother. You deserve a clap. Let me clap for you. Thank you so much. Thank you for keeping me company. You've kept me company. And all of you who have been on the show with me, 6 solid hours. It's not easy to keep your data for 6 hours. Josephine Baden, thank you very much. All of you, some fell asleep, but the rest of you stayed. Good night. Thank you so much. It's been a nice time with myself and Asamoah Gyan and the fallout and everything. We've learned something, I believe. It's not been easy, but we've learned something. And if you've not learned anything at all, I believe that so far, something has learned you. If you have not learned anything, something have learned you. And once something have learned you, let's all go together and learn the rest. Good night, till I see you again. Bye-bye. Echo, that's it. Thank you all very much on Facebook. Thank you for 6 hours, 4 minutes. It's not easy. I didn't know I can do it together. Good night. May God bless you and keep you. 2.7K is serious. Good night. Bye-bye. I'll see you tomorrow.
I hope you can hear the sound of what I'm chewing. It's nothing but it's ginger honey chips. Ginger honey chips. Now in the United States of America, everywhere you want, 862-215-2007. You can chew it like this, or better still, put it on your cocoa, rice water, oatmeal. You can put it in your akpatashi, your whiskey, your brandy, anything you want to put it on it. It's so nice. So nice, nice, nice. Oh my God. Ginger honey chips, 862-215-2007. 862-215-2007. It's your ginger honey chips. Get one for yourself. $10, free to go. Enjoy yourself. Thank you. I hope you can hear the sound